Alrighty, guys. Let's do this thing. I can't wait anymore. We're not waiting the full countdown. We are making money today, folks. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. We got a lot of viewers because you guys are watching this pump just like me. Let's just go straight to the chart because I got to see where we're at here. Oh, my goodness. Where's my charts? 62.5, people. This is what we got going on right now. Let's get right into it. Here we go. Smash the like button. Are you here? Are you with me? Were you paying attention? Where you at, folks? If you're here, you better be crushing the like button because today's the day. 62.9. Bitcoin is ripping. I don't even have any bearings on this chart. We're on the 15-minute candles. Here's the deal, guys. People said when we broke out of this wedge, we were going to keep going, and oh my goodness. This is the stream, y'all. This is the stream. You feeling good? You feeling good, folks? I got a lot of folks in the chat. Let's do some call outs to some of the loyal supporters. The Pokey Bros, McLovin Crow, Ron H, shout out to you. Brandy Lion, the trash trader. Ain't no trash trader in my eyes. Oh, sir. Good to see you. We got John 316. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody out there. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report, and this is Bitcoin, my friends. Have you ever heard of it? Because if you didn't, well, I feel bad for you. You know, we've been talking about Bitcoin really since we kind of came off this cliff through this entire thing. You know what we're saying here? Buy. You know what we're saying here? Buy. Now, if you've been buying this entire time, you must be in the profit by now, just strictly on Bitcoin. But look at that. That's not the entire story, friends and family. Guys, we got a lot of moves happening right now. Stacks is about to break into price discovery mode. I think this is going to happen today. I don't see how it doesn't. If Bitcoin continues to rip and roar like this, I expect to see some price discovery mode on a lot of things. Look at Ethereum right now, friends. Look, you better be crushing some like buttons, guys, because this was kind of the theory that a bull market was coming. And we've been talking about crypto for 2 years, and you have your chance to get generational wealth. Generational Welsh too. But here we go, guys. Look at it today. We got only 16 likes. We got 41 viewers. Hold on. Stick with me. Watch the pump. Go back to Bitcoin. Let's keep watching, guys. Actually, I'm going to go down to the 5-minute candles for you. I got to plug in my Ethernet cable. I was so excited this morning. I just had to go live, but you need some Ethernet. We need some good stream action. Give me 1 sec. There we go. Oh, we're crashing. It's over. Just kidding. Not over. Just getting started, guys. Now, we certainly could pull back here, though. To be real about it, some people, let's see what some of the comments are in the chats. A lot of people are saying this. I saw if this thing just keeps going, then the bull market, the 4-year cycles are invalidated. I don't know about that. Is that the case? We'll see. We'll just see. Tej says, congrats on the new car. Thank you very much. I love my Toyota. What do we got? Let's see here. Carlito is happy. Yep. Tej is saying to smash a like. That's for sure. Damn, that was quick, says the Psycho Pearl. That's Bitcoin, baby. It can be very quick. It can light your pants on fire and shoot you to the moon. And that's what we got going on right now. Look at the overall market cap of crypto, guys. We are just shattering through some of these levels. These weekly candles are insane. We have not seen a pump like this in a very long time. This is extremely exciting. This thing does not look like it wants to stop either. Oh my good golly goodness. Here we are, folks. I really want to see stacks and enter price discovery mode today. I do have some stories for you guys today. You saw it on the thumbnail. Let's peek at some of this. So first off, let's look at some of the top gainers on the day, as obviously Bitcoin is moving, but Pepe is a showstopper. Absolutely moving. Us a heads up to all you guys out there. I did buy some Pepe on stacks yesterday. We got a gifted membership from West Texas Crypto, one of the legends in our chat. What is a membership on this channel? You get access to our private Discord. You get access to the awesome emojis. If you guys are in the chat and you're a member, crush some emojis in that chat. Show them what it's about. Show them the family love, guys. We are building a family here at the Crypto Report. We're having a lot of fun. Creeper 420 FPV, shout out to you. Mystery Machine finally got your name right. XRP moving as well. Good. My cousin's got a lot of XRP. Cousin, if you are watching, I love you, brother. Let's make some money today. Is Kip a Welsh whale? I'm not a Welsh whale, but I might be a Gus whale. Uh-oh. Spoke too soon? I don't know, guys. I got a lot of Gus, I'll tell you that. We're having a lot of fun, though. We're making some good money today. Let's look at what else is pumping. Arweave is moving up 38% today. Look at Pepe over the last 7 days, 189%. This is insanity, guys. Orti's moving again. Bonk is taking a move. Sats is back up to the charts. Bitcoin plays, Bitcoin plays, Bitcoin plays. Caspa making another move. I feel like I'm announcing and there goes Caspa, horse racing around the bend, turning out of the gates. This is what it feels like, guys. This is the hecticness, the craziness that is crypto. Actually, I think I gotta refresh these charts, yo. These aren't even real. Let's try that again. 62.3 on CoinMarketCap. We gotta get back to that Bitcoin chart. Oh my good golly goodness, guys. Oh my good golly goodness. This thing is moving. I can't even... I mean, maybe we just watch Bitcoin. What do you guys think? Should we just watch the Bitcoin prices together? I don't even know where to go with this right now. Brandywine gave a free membership to Beckenbauer. This is a beautiful thing, guys. So on my thumbnail, you know, what you're seeing is Jim Cramer almost crying live on national TV. Why? Because you know what? Jim Cramer did something like this. What did he do? Let's see, back to, okay, let's go back. I'm going to go down to the daily candles for a second, just to show the mistake that Jim Cramer made. What did Jim Cramer say? So Jim Cramer back in this very moment right there, you know what he did? He said up 60%. So if you listen to Jim Cramer, you miss 60% upside. You know, this is crazy, guys. This is crypto, though. You know, I was telling a story yesterday. You know, I bought a car on a Saturday and it was paid for on a Monday. That only happens in crypto. It's unbelievable. This is why we started this channel, guys. We might break all-time highs on this stream. I am not kidding you. Yes, I feel frantic. Yes, this is euphoric. Yeah, that's crypto. It's euphoria. Now, if you're here and you're not in and you're feeling the urge to FOMO, I'm not going to tell you whether to FOMO or not, but FOMOing never feels good. You know what you should have been doing? You should have been buying in this channel. You know what you should have been doing? You should have been buying when Jim Cramer said to sell. You know what you should have been doing? You should have been buying in the bottom of the bear market like we screamed at the top of our lungs. Now, we never gave financial advice on any of that, but this was obvious. This trend was coming. My brother-in-law got in. He's making a boatload of money, and he still feels like he's missing out right now. Shout out to you, brother-in-law. I love you. You know, one of your brother-in-laws, I have two brother-in-laws. One brother-in-law got into crypto, the other didn't. If other brother-in-law that didn't get into crypto, rip, brother, rip. I told you about this crypto. You know, and we were talking about it on this channel as well. To you guys, this was an obvious trend. Now, there's another trend coming. You want to be early? You missed Bitcoin? You missed this pump? You don't feel like you're making good gains right now? It is not too late to get into the Stacks ecosystem. Jim Cramer, let's watch this very quickly. Let me go ahead and pause my little music. Let me turn up this and listen to Jim Cramer cry live on national TV here for a second. Okay, ready? I didn't think, oh, I wasn't even sharing my screen there. Okay. Let's see what we got. So let's listen to Jim Cramer cry on national TV.
There's underperformance, okay? Okay, it's depressing.
I
don't want to. What has Bitcoin ever done for mankind? Are you ever on a Bitcoin phone? Watson, come here, I need you. I mean, what is it?
Well, coming up, United Healthcare is apparently in.
There's underperformance, okay?
Yeah, this guy's like, he's like crying on national TV because he's missing it. And that's just what happens, guys. We almost got a fit $64,000 Bitcoin right there, live on TV, whatever, live on the stream. We saw it coming, guys. We saw it coming. Look, we always kept the opportunity for a dip to come here in crypto because, you know, that's what we see around these halvings. But does it have to? We said maybe we kind of wanted it to for sanity purposes, but here you go. Solana looks like it's about to break out of a wedge here. Solana's about to go on a big run, guys. If this thing breaks out of this wedge, that'll be absolutely incredible. How about Crow versus BTC hitting the bottom of the channel? Why? Because Bitcoin is stealing the show. We might even hit the bottom of this range. We might get that full 1,000% rally of Crow versus BTC. If he doesn't stop here on this green line, you're going to be a little stressed out holding Crow. Let me just say it that way. But we do have a 10.6 price, $10 or 10 cents, 10.6 cent price for Crow right now, which is great. Alex Labs is about to hit price discovery mode. Let's look at what else is going on. If you look at some of these other tokens we've been talking about, Welsh is trying to break out. Earlier, it double topped in its highs, actually, which was crazy. If you look at the hourly candles, we double topped there. I think this is going to see more upside, especially if we see stacks hit price discovery mode, which it's looking like it might do as long as Bitcoin keeps ripping, or even if Bitcoin cools off and stays up towards the top, these coins can keep ripping. Yes, I have a lot of Gus. Yes, I have a lot of Welsh. And I've been talking about why on this channel every single day. Now, what did I buy recently? I bought some of this Pepe coin. I didn't get the 10x on it. I actually bought it probably at an $800,000 or maybe a $500,000 market cap. So I'm up about 3x on it. Sheep token, I bought some of this. Why? Because I think there's copycat traders looking for the sheep play. I bought a little bit of Wojak. We'll see how that thing plays out. $32,000 market cap coin. These are gambles, guys. This is all gambling. Stacks is a smart play. Stacks meme tokens are gambling with potentially, very high risk, potentially very high reward. We'll see how it plays out. If I get wrecked, I get wrecked, but at least I was transparent with you guys about it, right? Now, we do have 55 viewers, 22 likes. Do me a favor, guys, smash the like button if you're enjoying the stream right now and enjoying this pump. Gifted subs says, yep, gifted subs are cool. Bitcoin just hits 100K, would be a beautiful thing, Sunshine Kid. Let's go back over to the charts for Bitcoin, see what's going on. We got 63.5 still hanging out. We're just ripping today. Absolutely ripping, guys. This is it. Now, can Bitcoin hit all-time highs on this stream? Let's actually put that poll out. Let's start a little community poll. Can Bitcoin reach all-time highs today? Asking the question. I'm asking for a friend. I'm asking her for a friend named Stacks. All right, let's look at some other stories here on the day. DeFi, absolutely doing well. Now, I made a prediction here that Stacks is going to be a top 5, maybe even a top 3 coin in this bull market. If you look at the chains right now and what's going on, and you filter out the non-EVM compatible chains, just like their own standalone chains, what we'll see, if this thing ever loads, is a very interesting story. A very obvious story that we've been shouting from the rooftops on this channel. Stacks is now ranked number 11. Bitcoin is number 1. I think that Stacks is going to be probably right either before Bitcoin or right after Bitcoin. Why? Because Stacks is the main place where people are building on Bitcoin. Okay, and Bitcoin DeFi is the official narrative I'm proclaiming for this bull market. Black Sea and I both are kind of on the same page with that. Yes, a lot of people are waiting on Crowcoin to make some moves. Crowcoin will make some moves. It is an EVM chain. When you look at EVM chains out there, it is a very competitive proposition. Let's actually look at the EVM chains if this thing, again, will ever load. We got 55 viewers, 29 likes. That is not nearly enough viewers for a stream where Bitcoin is ripping to literally almost all-time highs. When Lambo? Tonight? Tomorrow? I'm not quite sure. Look at the EVM compatible chains. Cronos is still up towards the top, rank number 11 in EVM compatible chains. When this market continues to rip and when Bitcoin starts ripping all-time highs, and as this overall market cap continues to climb, and just look at the overall market cap, you're going to see Crowcoin start ripping definitely 100% after, 100%, not financial advice. Nothing's 100% certain. Got to be careful when I'm saying those kind of things, guys. But your altcoins are going to rip. This is the signal. Altcoins are due for an absolute explosion. Crowcoin is starting to move. For Crow, what do you need to see? If you go out to the weekly candles, we have a beautiful trend happening right now for Crow in the right direction, which is up and to the right. And we're about to see this weekly candle break past this 12-cent barrier. And I think we fly. We probably see a 20-cent Crow here in the next, as long as Bitcoin hangs on to this momentum or holds up and finds a level to consolidate up here in the 60,000 range. Crowcoin can rip. Maybe even in the next month, we can see a 20-cent Crow. But the narrative's Bitcoin, guys. And if the narrative's really Bitcoin, and that's something we've been talking about a lot on this channel, Bitcoin DeFi, this is amazing. Why am I so bullish on Stacks? Because we think everything we talk about in crypto is in terms of Bitcoin. Well, what's the altcoin going to do? Well, if Bitcoin does well, then the altcoin can do well. Well, why wouldn't DeFi be the same proposition? You know, if Bitcoin's going to do well, Bitcoin DeFi is going to do incredibly well. Probably better than some of these other chains that are bigger than it. DeFi is just getting built on Bitcoin. This is the narrative, guys. This is obvious. We've been screaming it. We got $3.13. We are so close to the highs for stacks. I want to see this thing enter price discovery mode for y'all. How about questions? If you guys have any questions this morning, you let me know. I want to hear what your thoughts are, where your bags are at. Psycho Pearl's asking, when are we going to have altcoin season? Altcoin season's happening right now. It's just happening in ecosystems you might not be in. Let's go over to, if you're asking that question, then you might be missing. Again, remember this tweet? Bitcoin found its footing, Jimmy. You're wrong. Let's look over here back to the 24-hour gainers. Again, Arweave, Jasmy. Shout out to the Jasmy holders. A lot of people. Oscar Ramos, I know you got some Jasmy, brother. I hope you're making gains if you're watching this stream. I bet you are, my brother. I bet you are. Pepe, up 31% right now. That's why I bought a little Pepe on stacks. A little Pepe on stacks, my friends. Dogecoin ripping. Let's see how that plays out. Fetch AI, we got some AI plays. Ordi, the meme token on Bitcoin, a BRC20 token. Sats, a BRC20 token. Shiba Inu ripping, a lot of memes today. Very, very interesting. Why do you think I bought a bunch of memes on stacks? Because I think it's time to get rich. Yowza. Feeling a little kooky today, guys, because look at these gains today. Pepe's up 176% over the last 7 days. That's a 2x. That's unbelievable. A lot of big movers, guys. A lot of big movers. This is only the beginning. Now, at any moment, the floor could fall out from underneath us and we could crash and burn. But in reality, that would just be a little bit of a retracement, folks. Just a healthy retracement. We're crashing. No, not crashing. Let's go back down to the 5-minute candle, see what's the story. Couple reds. Let's get some more greens. I'm going to zoom back out because what we really want to kind of peek at right now is how insane this monthly. Look at the monthly candles for Bitcoin, friends. Look at what we are experiencing right now. Right now. This is the risk. Here's the fear. Here's the fear, guys. Let's do this. All right. We need to break a weekly candle close above that line. And even if we do, there is a chance, if I just draw a line, there's a chance, guys. And maybe that's the target. I don't even know. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Let's just say we do this thing quick. And we do it in like a week. That's like almost 100K. I'll tell you, now that I'm looking at this and I drew that line kind of over the top there, there's a chance that kind of happens, guys, and we kind of see like a crazy move, break to all-time highs, and then maybe we stop there and we come and we test back down right here and we trade there for like 2 weeks, and then it's back to the races, and then the halving comes, and then we're like full-fledged bull market. Who knows? Maybe we got to take this peek into account. Except it doesn't quite work. It doesn't quite work. Tough to say, friends. Tough to say. But it sure is exciting, huh? 62.4. Coming back down a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. So if you're just joining us, welcome, guys. This is the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. McLevin's asking, hey, triple top at 69K. I say certainly on the table, friend. Certainly on the table, my friend. I would be nervous about 69K. I'm more nervous about 65K. Because of the bodies of those weekly candles. Rax says, what's up, Kip? I'm tired of watching from the shadows. Been watching since 2022. But did you ever get your money back from Ben ETH you accidentally sent? No, I didn't. No, yeah, what he's talking about is I ended up sending some, I forgot what happened there. But anyway, I like ended up sending, like some loyal tokens to something and whatever. No, I didn't. No. But I do have some Ben tokens. I'm going to sell all those Ben tokens probably like tomorrow, I think. I don't know. I think I'm going to sell them. I don't know. I think I'm going to put them in some of these Bitcoin related DeFi plays. Yeah, I played around with the PSYOP, guys. I got hurt. I'm not perfect. That's why I started this channel. I want to be real with you guys. I want to share with you some experience from somebody that's been in this market since 2016. I made all the mistakes and I made all the right calls at the same time. But this time, more ready than ever before. We got 77 viewers. You guys are probably more ready than ever before as well. Why don't you guys smash that like button for me? I'm glad you're coming out of the shadows, Rax. Welcome to the table, my friend. Are you ready to get rich, my friends? Are you ready? Because we're feeling pretty good today. Now, there is a chance that we're topping out here. There really is. So we're just going to have to be patient, kind of watch what's going on. Let Mr. Bitcoin decide what happens next instead of Mr. Jim Cramer, because clearly that sucker gets it wrong. Being a little rude to Jimmy, but it's okay. He earned it. He's kind of a clown. So, we got Billy Goat in the chat. Look at all these members today. If you guys want to become a member on this channel, you can do so. It's in the link in the description down below. Now, if you hang out, we got a bunch of billionaires that are making money in this chat. They might just gift you a membership at any given point. Maybe not billionaires, but people are making a lot of money from watching these streams, from just watching YouTube and just watching Twitter calls and things like this. Not just us. There's a lot of great... Shout out to Call Me Hunch. Guy's been crushing it. If you're not following Call Me Hunch on YouTube and Twitter, you're messing up, Jim. You're messing up. He's great. He's made some really great calls. And you know what? We've been following every step of the way here with this Stacks narrative. It's been an absolutely incredible journey, and most of my gains so far have come from the Stacks ecosystem. And frankly, guys, I still think you're early. Oh, sir, asks, what do you think of checks? I think it's a rug pull, but that doesn't mean that I can't get a pump when this market goes insane. Rug pulls are dangerous. I don't like rug pulls, though. Welcome, says Sunshine Kid. Yes, sir. PTSD from last time Bitcoin was this high. Avo, I feel you 100%, brother. I'm ready to, like, die here. You know what I mean? I'm ready for it to just end. And just ready to come back down to 30K and just get wrecked. I'm ready for it at any moment. Do I want to see it? No. Would it be fine if it happened? Sure. It's all on the table. It's all possibilities, guys. When are we going to have this altcoin season? Cycle Pearl, we're probably going to have it right now. Parabolic phase ain't coming until after this thing breaks previous all-time highs. That's parabolic. We need to enter price discovery mode for the overall crypto market, and then anybody has any kind of guess. This kind of leaves me bullish and room for more upside. Let's look at Ethereum right now. Absolutely ripping, going up towards kind of a double. Now, again, we're going to have to be worried about Ethereum breaking these highs. The previous highs for Ethereum, let's just get that line in there. Zing Zabadoo. Let's see what we got. Zing Zabadoo. What the heck? Come on, yo. Why ain't it working? Draw that horizontal line. Oh, there you go. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie. Let's fix this here. Let's get this right. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so let's see that thing play out. 2 peaks to worry about there. 2 peaks to really worry about. I mean, maybe this too. I'm going to just get rid of this. We'll just keep the line for the all-time highs. Let's see what Solana's doing. Solana wants to break out. Guys, this wedge is looking tasty for Solana. Hopefully, we can break out of this wedge for Solana holders, unless we kind of play this game while Bitcoin continues to play its game. Again, you know, people are asking, when does the parabolic rally occur for crypto? Well, we need to kind of hit price discovery mode. That's a pretty vertical thing, guys. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if we come back down and we test some of these other levels, like right here. I gotta put my stuff on Do Not Disturb here just in case. Don't be surprised, guys, if we come back down here and retest. If overall market, again, I've said it a lot, we could have a 50% crash, 30 to 50% crash. That could happen, guys. That could happen. Be ready for it. I'm not expecting it necessarily. I mean, I kind of was. You know, if you've been watching, I kind of was, but it didn't have to happen. It's just the truth, y'all. It's just the truth. Loving the tunes, John. Glad to hear it, brother. You know, God bless the copyright-free stuff. We got 80 viewers, 45 likes. Guys, you should share this stream. If you're here, you might get gifted a membership. If you want to become a member on your own, access our private Discord where you're making some of these crazy calls ahead of the time, then make sure you do it in the link in the description down below. I'm not giving financial advice, but I'm just transparent with my bags. Transparent is the key. That's what we do here on this channel. That's what we pride ourselves on. Michael Artezi entered Gus as well today. Kips, thanks for the BTC and DeFi knowledge. Godspeed, Michael. I hope that Gus play plays out well for you. Bitcoin coming back down. Testing. Here's some liquidations occurring. Shorts are getting wrecked. Our longs are getting wrecked right now because people are opening up longs because we're so darn greedy in this space. Be careful with leverage. If you want to take advantage of this volatility, it is a great time to trade in a sense, but it's also the most risky. I recommend very low leverage if you're going to leverage trade at all, but if you want to leverage trade and take advantage of this craziness, link in the description down below. You deposit money into Femex. Yeah, get free money when you send it there, but you got to be careful, guys. Don't lose your bags. Don't lose your holding bags. Just make money. Bitcoin coming back down below $60,000. I literally, oh, we're back below 60. 59.7, 59.3, 59. Going down. Getting to 58 here soon. Back down. Oh my gosh, 58.8. Oh, it's dying. It's all over, folks. It's over. Sell it all. Buy it back. Oh my gosh. Look at this volatility, guys. Look at this volatility. Miles loves this channel with a cuss word. Ooh. Always live when it's time for. Yes, Miles, we are here. We are ready to rip to the moon with you, my brother. Let's see. Stacks is making a big dip down below $3 as well. Overall market cap still doing all right. Solana coming back down into this channel. Let's see, guys. These are the times for liquidations, all right, y'all? These are the times for liquidation. So if you are a leverage trader, Godspeed, Godspeed. So dangerous. Such a dangerous time. Let's see what I got here. Come on now. I want to get rid of this. Get out of there. Got it. Got it. Rack says, that's okay, Kip. The amount of money we're going to make in this cycle is going to make up for that accident tenfold. God bless you and your whole Crow fam. Yeah, man. Yeah, I did get hurt on Bitcoin. I did. And I got hurt on the PSYOP. But you know what? You were taking a chance. Things were boring in the bear market. I can tell you for certain things are not boring right now. If you're not feeling euphoric, then you didn't buy enough crypto. And it's so weird. It's so weird because, like, I don't know, guys. I'm not a gypsy. I don't have a magic crystal ball. I can't tell you if we're gonna break all-time highs today, but sure would be fun to see on this stream, guys. Moral of the story is this: Bitcoin's ripping, and if you're in, you're making money, and that's great. Okay, and if you've been listening to me on Stacks, then you might have made thousands upon thousands of dollars. And if you're listening to me on some of these ridiculous, degenerate plays on Bitcoin DeFi, well, then you might be getting a lot of money. I got 78 viewers. Likely, a lot of you guys are new. Welcome to the Crypto Report, guys. Smash the like button. Now, let me show you something. Let me tell you guys a quick story. See this little red candle on this coin called Welsh? That's where my audience bought. Now, if you're just joining us, you missed it. But that's okay, because guess what? This market cap is under 100 million. Some people are speculating this thing can go to $1 billion. There you go, that's a 10x. I just told you guys about an easy 10x potentially in this market. Some people say that Welsh is going to be the next Dogecoin. I think that that is on the table. That's not a it's not likely that's going to happen. It's not a high probability that's going to happen. There's a chance. There's a chance. If it gets half there, you can make a lot of money. And so you heard it here, guys. I'm buying Welsh. I have Welsh. I'm not buying any more Welsh because I got an insane bag of Welsh. And I also bought some of this Gus. And guess where we bought the Gus? See this green candle down here? If you're watching my channel, you bought it down there. And if you notice anything cool, that's a 10x, guys, in a month. We did that on this channel. We did that on this channel, and it's extremely exciting. And you should be hyped if you've been a part of that move. Now, Stack Swap. I had a little bit of Pepe coins that I bought. You can see that it's actually got a pretty decent value on that right now. Let's check the Pepe bags. Let's see what's going on. See if these things are growing. I'm just checking my bags with you guys live on stream because why the heck not? I mean, on a day like this. Let's see what's going on. A lot of these coins right now are hurting versus Bitcoin, but maybe this one's moving. Let's see. Still moving up. Still moving up. I've also got a little bit of Biddy, an itty bit of Biddy. Let's see what's with Biddy. Biddy's doing well. Biddy's doing pretty well for me right now. I got a little bit of Foxino. Sketched out about Foxino, honestly, the most, but that one's doing pretty well for me as well. We got, what else do we got? We got in this portfolio, I also bought a little bit of Wojak here, and that's doing okay for me. I've made a couple stacks on that. So those are some of my plays. Oh, and I also bought some taco. Careful, there's a lot of, you know, bad, poorly named tokens on here that I actually frankly don't feel good about showing on screen. I'm trying to find taco without like focusing in on any of these naughty names that are in here. There's some really naughty names in here. Where's taco? Taco coin. I got some taco too. 65 stacks worth. You know, I mean, that's crazy. Should he be in stacks or should he be in taco coin? You should probably be in stacks, guys. You should probably be in stacks. What are these crazy tokens? Well, first of all, if you don't know what stat screener is, you're way behind the curve ball, the ball. But it's okay, because that's why we're here, getting you ahead of the curve. It's okay, because this is all still early, guys. The largest influencers in the space are not talking about this, okay? Get ready. Stat screener. You need to save this, and you need to watch these stacks tokens, because these stacks tokens are going to make millionaires, in my opinion. These market caps are so darn low, it's just silly. Pepe coin at a $1.3 million market cap. Sheep token. Oh, I bought some of those too at a 74K market cap. I bought a couple $100 of Sheep token at a 74K market cap. That's tiny. That's tiny. I bought some Wojak coin because it's at a $31,000 market cap. These are degenerate plays, guys, but you never know. You never know. The ones that I feel really good about on Stacks are Alex token. Why? It's had a lot of transactions. It's also the native token for the Alex platform, which is a launchpad and a bridge for all things BRC20 and Stacks tokens. It's just yield farming. You can do staking. You can do a lottery. There's an order book where you can actually see some charts and you can trade. You can track your portfolio. You can do swap. You can do liquidity pools. You can do all these things. Why is Alex Labs bullish? Because it's the utility token for that platform, guys, along with Stacks. StackSwap is the token for the StackSwap platform, the other place to buy all these ridiculous tokens that I'm talking to you guys about that have this little logo next to it. Who knows, guys? Who knows? But let's look at some others here. Transactions, another ones that I'm really bullish on. Legitimate plays, Arcadico is a legitimate play. Welsh, in my opinion, is a legitimate play. Stacks is a legitimate, StackSwap is a legitimate play. Alex Labs is a legitimate play. What else is legitimate play? I don't know if Gus is, but I'm sure loving Gus. I'll tell you that. Arcadico is certainly a legitimate play. Slime, know nothing about it. Bitcoin, there's a community trying to be built there. Let's see what happens. ORDG has some legitimate things going on. Orange is building a Web3 wallet for Bitcoin DeFi. I think this one's going to do well at some point. Not really pumping yet, but I think it will. Right now, the memes are just a little bit more exciting. I don't have any Bourdain anymore. I actually sold it for Biddy, believe it or not, just because I don't like the social media presence for Bourdain. Not a legitimate play. The legitimate plays, though, guys, are this. Alex token, Arcadico, in my opinion, StackSwap, Welsh coin. What else we got? We got ORDG. We got Orange. I don't like Chax. What else do I like? That's all I really love, should I say. And then I'm gambling on some of the rest, guys. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on, guys. Why am I talking about these trash coins? Because we're making more money on that than anything else right now, guys. And if you're not interested in it, well, then that's okay. But the people that are might make a little bit more gains. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we lose more. We'll see how it plays out, guys. Taco flavored kisses. Taco, taco, down to my belly. Taco, taco. Ooh, taco, taco. Saw the short coming, close to more. All right. Brandy Lion, what are our targets, brother? We got a leverage trader in the chat, a leverage trading expert. Gonna start his own channel. I hope you do, brother. Yeah, Jim C said, I think Bitcoin will struggle to get a foothold. Well, certainly did. Feeling the volatility in that house, y'all. You still DCing in crypto? Heck yeah, I am buying, Al Green. I'm buying through this bull market. I am buying. I got a bonus coming with double, well, I got a what? Yeah, I got a 5-figure bonus coming in April. I'm dumping the whole thing in crypto. So that's some context for what I'm doing. You know, that's what I'm doing. Carlos says pure energy, pure crypto. Absolutely. What else we got going on, y'all? Logan says crow should be around 50 cents. Not true, Logan. I understand why you want it there. I do too. I got a lot of crow. I'm going to show you guys in just a week's time. I can't wait. Coinbase is down, fixing an error. That's an insanely bullish thing, guys. When Coinbase is crashing, that's when you know retail is FOMOing in. And we already know that the largest institutions in the world are FOMOing in. How do I know this? Well, because yesterday they bought 10,000 Bitcoin. We see these ETF creators holding more Bitcoin than MicroStrategies right now. They are FOMOing in. Bitcoin purchased ETFs yesterday. They bought 10,000 Bitcoin, and there was only 900 Bitcoin produced yesterday. How about that? That's called the supply shock, guys. That's the one reason why the argument that Bitcoin's just going to keep going actually holds water. Because literally, the amount of Bitcoin putting out into the ecosystem is going to be infantile compared to the amount that people want to buy. That's the crazy part. Sunshine Kid wants to know when alts are going to pump. They're going to pump, brother. Just patience, y'all. 53% of you guys at this point believe that Bitcoin can hit all-time highs today, or did I say on this stream? What did I say? All-time highs today. I don't know if it can hit it on the stream, but it certainly could hit it today. We'll see. We will see. How you doing, guys? Tell me a story in the chat. Again, only in crypto can you buy a car on a Saturday and have it completely paid off on a Monday. I didn't actually pay it off because why would I take my money out of the crypto market now? Maybe some of you guys are like, that's a dangerous statement. You know, a lot of people are like, I'm going to sell at 60K Bitcoin. Fine. And maybe that's a great move. Maybe we do rip and dip back down. And we have a 50% crash from here and you took some profits and you could buy back in. But time in the market beats timing the market. And I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I know how to time this market perfectly. I know the long-term trends. That's why we started a YouTube. You know when we started this YouTube channel? Watch this, guys. You know when we started this YouTube channel? Right there, folks. That's when we started this. Why? Because we wanted to catch the wave of people wondering what was going on. Why are my bags crashing? And then you got poor. You know what? Everything happened here. This is where everybody, this is the FTX crash. This is what everything happened. And so we did videos, over 3,000 videos for you guys this entire time. Do you know what we were saying? Bitcoin's eventually going to break previous all-time highs and we're going to come back, but this is a bear market. What are bear markets for? Accumulating. You accumulate, especially here. We were screaming it, accumulate. We said the bottom was in. We were exactly right on this channel. And here we go. We're moving up. And guys, it's only just begun. There's more moves ahead. This is the best part about crypto. We know there's more moves ahead. Can we get a stacked video on the bumper? On the bumper? What's the bumper? Richard Rose, what's a bumper? I don't even know. What's your take on projects like Orca and Jupiter? They're going to do well, Chris, because Solana is a big old moon play for people. But you need Solana to break out. Just like you want for, you know, VVS Finance and Tectonic Finance. And if you're maybe in Kaching on Cronos, you need Cronos to break out for those projects to pump. You were in Orca on Solana. You're in Jupiter on Solana. You need Jupiter to break out or else they're not going to pump. It's as simple as that. Why do you think Pepe's pumping right now? Pepe's pumping because it's an Ethereum-based token, guys. And look at what Ethereum's doing. It's obvious. It's obvious. And maybe it's not obvious to you, but that's why we're here. That's why we started the channel. It's obvious to us. That's why we started this channel, to drop some knowledge on y'all. Todd Lamar says Cronos to 350. If that's the case, then I'm making a lot of money, friends. And so are you, I hope. It seems like you could pretty much buy anything at this point and see profit moving forward. Ron H says that. Here's what I've said for a long time, Ron H. You could put on a blindfold, put some cryptocurrencies on a dartboard, grab a handful of darts, put on that blindfold and throw those darts at the dartboard and buy whatever tokens that those darts landed on, and you could probably make some money in crypto. But that's not what we want to do here. We want to have a hypothesis. We want to have a thesis like, oh, I don't know, Bitcoin's the largest cryptocurrency in the history of the world, and people are building DeFi on it for the first time in a very real way. And how are they doing that? They're doing it through the layer 2 solution called Stacks. People are building meme tokens and legitimate projects on Stacks to help speed up the transaction times and build DeFi on Bitcoin. And so that's a good hypothesis. It's one of my favorite horses in this race. Crow's a great hypothesis too, because it's got a competitor named Bitcoin that we can continue to track. And it's got a competitor named Binance, which we continue to track. They got a CEO going to prison. Meanwhile, crypto.com does not. And they have more marketing efforts in an insane way. I think it's insanely bullish, guys. We got 86 viewers. We are almost at all-time highs for viewers on this stream because they feel the energy. They understand the hypothesis. There's more and more people starting to watch this channel because we're making an insane amount of money every single day on this channel. I bought a car on a Saturday. It was paid for on a Monday. Why? Because we're ahead of the curve, guys. And I think that you're ahead of the curve too if you are here. Believe it or not, guys, you think you missed it? You think you missed it? I think you're early still. I think you're early still. 2024 is the year. If you're getting in 2025, I think you're too late. 2025, you can still have some gains, but if you're getting in 2025, I think you're too late. You need to be in this market in 2024, or you missed the entire point of us starting this channel back in this range. As we entered the bear market, we started this channel for a reason. We knew this was coming, guys. I did not know about Stacks when we started this channel. If you go back months, about probably 4 months now, maybe even about almost a year now for some of the BRC20 plays, we slowly learned more. We learned it live on stream. We learned it live doing videos, 5 videos every single day for you guys. I've been shouting from the rooftops on the plays that I'm most excited about it. And I'm not doing it because I'm gambling. Now, I am gambling on some of these meme tokens, but why? I have a hypothesis behind it. Stacks is going to be huge. The meme tokens built on Stacks might be huge as well. My plan with these meme tokens on Stacks is I'm going to take profits out of these silly little memes like Gus, which I do love. I love Gus. Gus is a very good boy. A good boy, Gus. Good boy. Also, we have Welsh, which is a very, what's going on? Where's my Welsh? Oh, let's see. I'm freaking out, guys. I'm freaking out. It's a good day. Welsh, seeing a little bit of red. That's okay. I think this thing's going to keep ripping, guys. I think Welsh is going to have a very good day. Good to see Gus moving up. I hope this thing can continue its momentum. Let's go back over to Bitcoin. My plan with these, though, is, guys, I'm going to start shuffling some profits. Where? Into Stacks. and into some of the other Stacks tokens that are some more of the legitimate plays. Again, what are the legitimate plays? Look at the most transactions, guys. Look at the high transactions, 100,000 transactions on Alex. This is a great play. You also got StackSwap, the token for the StackSwap platform. It's almost like a Uniswap for Stacks tokens. Same thing with Alex Labs, but it's got a launch pad. You got Arcadico. You got all these plays. Arcadico developing one of the first decentralized stablecoins for Bitcoin in a very real way. That's very exciting. Guys, things are getting hot. Things are getting hot. We're going to make some money. Sunshine Kid says, buy the dip. Todd Lamar says, buy the small dip. Chris says, DCA and the little dips we have caused. Everybody's saying, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. I like where your head's at. We don't want to FOMO in, guys, but we don't want to miss the bull market. That's for sure. That was meant to say BTC dump. Andrew Jones looking for a BTC dump. Let's see. Let's see. Crypto Keeper says, looks like a big dump now. I wonder how low we will go. Let's see what we got. Not a big dump to me. We're back above 61. Let's see what we got. I'm still feeling insanely bullish right now, guys. The rug could get pulled out from under us at any moment, guys. But just keep an eye peeled here. This could have been the little wick. You need these little retracements, guys. You need these little retracements. Let me do something really fast, folks. I want to look at... what do I want to look at here? What do I want to look at? I want to look at something here. So let's go over here, and I want to look at... Ooh, what did I want to see? I wanted to see... Coin glass, I think. Let's go to Coin Glass. Let's look at some liquidations. What's going on right now? What's going on right now? What's the scoop, man? Look at these shorts getting liquidated. This is why, guys, and this is something I scream from the rooftops, guys. Over $300 million in shorts were liquidated. Not good to be bearish on Bitcoin in the long run, guys. Jim Cramer crying live on national TV today. That's why it's on my thumbnail. I know you like it. I know you like it. It's good to see a grown man cry, especially when you're making money, and he said the opposite. You know, that's the problem, guys. There's a lot of old people that don't understand Bitcoin. Jim Cramer. Unfortunately, my grandpa doesn't understand Bitcoin. Grandpa might be watching this right now. Grandpa, I love you. And I know you're interested in crypto, but you just don't get it. I don't expect you to, and that's okay. My grandpa said that I'm like Jim Jones of crypto, and I didn't like that, but I still love him, okay? That's not what we're doing here. We're actually tapping people into the new idea of the decentralized economy, of the new breakthrough in financial systems that is the blockchain and Bitcoin. And Bitcoin DeFi. This is going to be crazy, guys. This is going to be crazy. A lot of liquidations going on right now. No surprises there, unfortunately. Let's see what we got. Duplicate that tab. Go back over here. Let's get some Welsh pumping back to these charts. Okay, Welsh ain't moving right now. Gus is not moving right now. We do see right now Stacks is trying to make its move back up. Look at that killer wick. Those are liquidations, friends. Those are liquidations, friends. Please don't get liquidated. Please don't get liquidated, okay? We got 92 viewers. We got 59 likes. We're almost setting records on the stream, guys. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. I'm doing live streams every single day. If you're looking for a new content creator, well, then you have come to the right place, because I am relentless with my partner on this channel, Black Sea. We're producing 5 videos every single day, and we are not in an echo chamber, friends. We are exploring these ecosystems, from Solana to the Ethereum layer 2s to Cronos ecosystem to the Stacks ecosystem, which is likely the best narrative for the 2024 bull market. And if you're watching this channel and you have not heard that Stacks is going to be one of the #1 performing tokens of this bull market when it comes to the top 100 tokens, then you're not watching the right content, guys. I'm just going to come out and say it. You need to be paying attention to Stacks, because if you're not going to maximize your upside, okay? Stacks is going to be great. The coins built within the Stacks ecosystem are going to be better, but they're going to have higher risk. We're analyzing all this on a daily basis, and we're ready for this bull market, guys. Are you? And if you're here, I think you are. Beckenbauer says records today. I'm a fan of it. Ron H says the purpose of the Bitcoin ETF has been available for 4 years in Canada. Nobody knows about it. Portfolios managers have kept their mouths shut. Portfolio managers don't know crap. You go to your guy who's going to give you financial advice. He is, for all intensive purposes, a crypto idiot. Those guys don't know anything about crypto. They don't want to. They're stuck in their little echo chamber of, what are the earnings on NVIDIA? And NVIDIA is great. What are the earnings on, well, I'm going to make a call on Tesla and a call on, and those are great. You can do that, guys. But these people were like, oh, Coinbase stock, I'd stay away from it. Crypto's just too volatile. Don't we want some volatility? Don't you understand the history of crypto and the 4-year cycles, which may be invalidated to the upside, potentially? Could be invalidated to the downside. We'll see. But the institutions are buying crypto more so than the miners can produce. That's a supply shock narrative, guys. This was inevitable. This was inevitable. Let's look at the big gainers in the last 24 hours. Pepe on stacks, doing all right. Sheep token on stacks, doing all right. Nothing crazy going on with these tokens right now. The big show is Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin. 61.2. Our high for the day, if you're just tuning in, guys, was $64,000. We want to see this thing get back above. We want to see all-time highs today if we can at this point. Why not? Let's just keep mooning, y'all. Todd Lamox says, everyone buy at least $5 in Crow right now and see a pub. I don't know about that, Todd. I don't know about that. You should just have your bags. If you've been buying, you're ready. $5 ain't gonna do nothing, Todd. I'd love to see it, but I don't think it's gonna do nothing. We got 85 viewers and 63 likes. Do a favor for me and smash the like button and give me a vote. I asked a question in this chat. We got 95 votes so far. Can Bitcoin reach all-time highs today? If you guys are new to this channel, welcome, guys. My name is Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. If you want to become a member on this channel, like Servando Estrada, like Beckenbauer Gaming. Servando, you have my favorite name to say on this channel. I'm just going to come out and say it. Like Brandyland, the Trash Trader. Send him some emojis, guys. Show him what it's about. You have access to our private Discord if you are a member on this channel. So, you know, don't miss that. Don't miss that. That's a lot of fun to do. We got gifted memberships happening on this thing all the time. What a fun day, guys. What a fun day. We are catching the pump on this live stream. We already saw $64,000 today. There is a good chance that we do cool off here for the remainder of this stream, but let's continue to have some fun with it. Let's track it. Let's keep an eye on it because you never know, guys. You never know what comes next. We got 53 minutes into this stream and we got billions of dollars being made. Let's see what we got. Emmy Crow. Excited. As am I, friends. Let's see what else we got going on. I'm going to go scour the internet. Throw some questions at me in the comments down below, guys. How we feeling today? What's the good news, y'all? What is the good news? Okay. Okay, here we go. We got a tweet. We got a tweet from Chris Marzliak, the CEO of crypto.com. Let's see what we got over there. Let's go over to it. Let's go to Chris. Let's see what we got. This is fun. This is fun. Here you go. This is the CEO of one of the largest exchanges in the world. Now, let's see what he's saying today. This is not the end. This is not even the beginning of the end. This is just perhaps the end of the beginning. What an incredible statement. I couldn't agree more. I'm going to retweet that because that's awesome. This is the CEO of a major crypto exchange. Crypto.com has some of the biggest marketing efforts out there. I have a lot of Crow coins myself. I'm going to be revealing exactly how many Crow coins I have on this channel in about a week's time. I can't wait to show you guys. It's a lot of fun, a lot of excitement. The bags have been slow on this coin, no doubt about it, but I'm bullish on it. This man says there's going to be a $10 trillion market cap at some point in this bull market. I tend to agree. Which means you're going to have billions of dollars flowing into this ecosystem. New dollars. Where are they going to go? I believe they're going to go to Cronos, which is a new chain, only launched in November 2021, right at the peak of the bull market as we entered a bear market. Worst timing ever. Good timing for a quick pump. That's why Crow almost got to $1. Currently sitting at 10 cents. Got a 10x back to previous all-time highs. Even better, I think we're going to go to $2 to $5 for this coin. But money's going to flow into new chains like this. Some big chains with big brand names behind it. Money's also going to flow into some of these other plays like Alex Labs, like some of these other BRC20 tokens, some of these Stacks tokens that are being built on Stacks. It's inevitable, guys. It's inevitable, guys. We are predicting it here on this channel. I don't want to have to say I told you so unless you're saying I told you so with me and you're making a bunch of money, okay? I'm not giving financial advice here. It's not the point of this channel. The point of this channel is to just open your eyes to entice you to do your own research. And if you want to make some buys, make some buys. If you don't. Make your own choice, guys. Make your own choice. Just know I got a 5-digit bonus coming in April. I'm going to dump the entire thing in the second it hits my bank account, regardless of the price of Bitcoin. Call that FOMO if you want. I call that long-term strategy because this thing's going to pump through the summer. This thing's going to pump through the fall. There's going to be some volatilities. At some point, maybe we have a little bit of a retracement down, but that doesn't matter. I know historically, we have a lot more upside, at least in the year 2024. Who knows? Maybe we got something else coming along the pipeline that's going to be even unexpected. Maybe we keep going up because of these hedge funds. I don't know. But I have exposure, and that's what counts. As long as you got exposure, we don't need to do this guessing game. We just need to take profits along the way is what we really need to do. Looking forward, I think Stacks is going to hit price discovery mode. I think this token's going to hit up to $60, maybe even higher. We might even see this thing break $100 for all I know. I have no idea. I'm predicting I think we could see $100 Stacks. I think we could see that because I think you can flip the market cap of Binance, no problem. I think that's the narrative. I think I'll come out and make a prediction here on the stream. Stacks is going to flip Binance. I am 90% sure that Stacks is going to flip Binance at some point in this bull market. Well, what does that mean? What does that mean? Well, let's look. Binance is at a $60 billion market cap. Stacks right now is climbing the ranks, just as we predicted. It's currently ranked number 24. It's at a $4 billion market cap. Yeah, so I mean, I think it's going to have a nice 10 or 15x at least to flip Binance. And we might even see this thing, you know, get to 1/4 the price of Ethereum. Yeah, I mean, we might see a 30x on Stacks, guys. And if we see a 30x on Stacks, then what do you think we're going to see in like the crazy low cap meme tokens on Stacks? That's the theory, guys. That's the theory. Let's see what we got going on right now. Bitcoin's trying to make another move back up. I'd love to see that right now live on stream. Yes, we have the energy here on this. If you guys are new to this channel, you have no idea what's going on, and you have no idea why this guy is talking so fast and he's so excited. It's because we've been doing 5 videos every day. I've done over 3,000 videos, and we told everybody over the last year and a half to buy, and we were exactly right so far. It wasn't financial advice because that's not what we do here, but we've been screaming from a mountaintop to buy. What were we buying? Bitcoin and Ethereum. We were DCAing into altcoins like Crow. We found out about Stacks. We found out about BRC20 plays. We talked about Bonk. Black Sea, my partner on this channel, made thousands upon thousands of dollars in Bonk. He made thousands upon thousands of dollars in Solana. He bought the dip at $8 for Solana. It's currently at $113. How about them apples, guys? We've been talking about these plays live on our channel, and if you've been tuning in the entire time, well, then you're with us, and you're making money too. And if you're new, then welcome. I welcome you. We have 106 viewers. That's a record for our streams here on this channel. Go ahead and smash the like button for me, guys. What does that tell you, guys? This stream is at all-time highs for record viewers. Why? Because this bull market is just beginning, guys. We are going to be at 1,000 viewers, possibly even in a month's time on this. What do you think the prices are going to be in crypto and Bitcoin at that time? Now, if Bitcoin double tops here, triple tops actually at around 65, 69,000, well, we might be in a little bit of pain, but still, I think people are starting to pay attention. Jim Cramer is crying on national TV because he got this pick wrong. Jim Cramer, again, if you guys have no idea what happened here, and maybe you're new to crypto, there's some people coming out of the shadows. They even are admitting it in the chat. If you were listening to Jim Cramer and you watched what he was saying on national TV, you know what? Jim Cramer literally said Mr. Bitcoin is going to go down from here. This is when he said. He said he watched this thing top off. Here's the what is this wick? This is the buy the rumor, sell the news event for Bitcoin. And what do we have? We had about a 20% retracement for Bitcoin. And this right here on this bottom wick is where Jim Cramer said, Mr. Bitcoin's going to go down from here. Guy couldn't have been more wrong. If you listen to the mainstream, you're going to get wrecked, okay? You know what I don't like, though? I don't like that JP Morgan just came out and said that it's going to be very, very bullish. You know, that we're going to keep going up. So, you know, that could be a top signal. I don't really know. Let's get back down to the 15-minute candles. Look like we're getting another move up. I'd love to see that. Let's get that move up. Let's keep growing. Let's keep making money today, guys. 92 viewers, 71 likes. Jim Cramer always picks them wrong. He has been wrong all the time. Rax says, oh my gosh, I should have listened to Black Sea about Bonk. Absolutely. He was killing it. He was calling it every time. Todd Lamar says, buy Cronos. At some point, Cronos is going to get a rip. Hasn't ripped yet. You still got time to buy Cronos, that's for sure. But definitely enticing to get into the Stacks ecosystem as well. It's good to be diversified, guys. Don't be stuck in an echo chamber. We want to make sure that we're making gains where there are gains to be made. You don't want to go chasing, but you certainly, in my mind, are ahead of the game if you're buying Stacks right now. Why? Go look at Discover Crypto. Go look at even George in Cryptos R Us. Go look at Go look at MM Crypto. Go look at Crawford Moon. Go look at I don't know who are all the big ones. Crypto Rand. Go look at Coin Bureau. Go look at all the biggest channels in crypto YouTube. They're not talking about this. They're mentioning Stacks, but they're not talking about the Stacks meme coins. They're not talking about the Stacks Arcadico token. They're not talking about the Alex Labs token. George did a little bit, but barely. We've been screaming about it, and we've been making more gains than every single other YouTube channel out there. Why? Because we have a hypothesis, and it's a darn good one, y'all. It's a darn good one, and we're making boatloads of money right now. It's extremely distracting from daily life, but that's okay. You're still getting it done. I'm still making my cold calls. I'm still closing deals with insurance. I sell insurance during the day. I trade crypto at night, and I do these live streams when I get the chance. You know, every weekday we're doing a live stream at least once. 61,300. Let's get back to these highs, y'all. Let's get back to these highs. Mr. Tanker says, what's going on with Coinbase? What's going on with Coinbase? The answer is Coinbase is crashing right now, like the actual app, I bet, because people are frantically trying to buy everything they can right now. They're frantically trying to buy. I bet you people are frantically trying to buy Stacks right now. I bet you that this week, Stacks is going to hit price discovery mode, and then all of a sudden, every other YouTuber in existence is just going to start talking about Stacks like crazy. I bet you that's going to happen. We're ahead of the curve here, guys, and for good reason. There's a hypothesis. It's a good one, and if you've been watching, then you probably agree because you're here again. 84 viewers, 74 likes. Do me a favor and retweet this live stream out if you guys want to see this Bitcoin price pump. We want to get more viewers here on the stream so we can enjoy these gains together. Hopefully, Bitcoin can turn this 15-minute red candle green again. I would love to see that. Let's go down to the 5-minute candle, see what we got going on. Again, I feel like I am announcing the Kentucky Derby right now, and there goes Bitcoin runner, running around the bend. Nobody's talking about this stuff right now, guys. Nobody's talking about this stuff. Carlito says, Dr. Kip, what's a conservative market cap for Stacks? 50 billion, my friend. 50 billion conservative. 50 billion is a conservative market cap for Stacks. A 10x is it's in the bag, man. It's in the bag. That's not financial advice. I'm not telling you that's a fact. That's my mindset. That's my opinion. I don't see how, I mean, it's going to be huge, guys. DeFi is being built on Bitcoin. The other crazy part is the Nakamoto upgrade is coming. What is the Nakamoto upgrade? Transaction times on Bitcoin are going to be under 4 seconds. Cheaper than Ethereum. Faster than Ethereum. What's the point of Ethereum anymore? I don't even know. I'm not telling you that Stacks is going to flip Ethereum, but I'm telling you that you need to pay attention because Stacks is going to be the narrative for 2024. Stacks is going to make a lot of you guys very, very rich if you're holding it, and if you're paying attention. You need to have your finger on the pulse. A lot of people are making jokes. You can't even get up from your computer right now because there's too many gains to be made. This is the most important time to be paying attention right now. We're going to price discovery mode moments. It's true. You know, we could dip at any moment, guys, but maybe we don't. Maybe we don't. Dangerous thing to say, but I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it because I'm not doing financial advice. That's the best part about this. I could say whatever I want because it's not financial advice. It's pure speculation based on history, and past performance doesn't predict future performance. Go ahead and ask me anything, guys. If you have any questions, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Drem1, shout out to you. Ron H, shout out to you. Hawk Dark, shout out to you. Coinbase is down. Everyone's account shows $0 balance. That's okay. Your accounts aren't at $0. Coinbase is down. That's probably why this dip is happening. As soon as they get things back up, people are FOMOing in right now. That's what's going on. Why? People are FOMOing in. It's begun. It's begun. The parabolic rally is beginning. We could dip at any moment. Maybe people get spooked out by this Coinbase rug, but people are freaking out about Coinbase right now. Here's what I'll tell you. Every single time, guys, we see Bitcoin make these moves. What moves? These moves. That move. Okay? Specifically, like, come on. Every time we see Bitcoin, so like right here specifically, or back in the day, you know, kind of as we're kind of getting closer to previous all-time highs, or right here, again, where we're breaking previous all-time highs, Coinbase crashes. Coinbase is going to crash many times through the bull market. They cannot fix the infrastructure on their app on the back end to keep up, because at a certain point, when literally millions of people are trying to buy crypto assets, it's just a traffic overload. Go look at any website. You know, you look at like Kylie Jenner. You know, her website was crashing, I think, when people were all excited about her makeup. Why do I know that? I have no idea. Websites crash when people are excited to buy things because there's just too much traffic. The internet can't even take it. Another reason for DeFi. Another reason we need DeFi. Blockchain technology is the internet 2.0. It's amazing. It's amazing. And I think we're going to make boatloads of money. Right now, we got a red 4-hourly candle. I think this thing still could flip green. Let's see what we got going on. Got more red candles printing for Bitcoin right now. Oh, no. We're crashing. We're crashing. It's all good, y'all. It's all good. We got 87 viewers, 78 likes. Do me a favor. Smash the like button for me. We've been here for an hour and 6 minutes, and we're just enjoying the pump. Unfortunately, maybe we're cooling off. Maybe we're cooling off. Who knows? Ethereum was all the way up. to 3,500 and back down to 33. How's that for some volatility? Hopefully you're not getting liquidated on a greedy long on Ethereum today. So much volatility. Guys, I'll tell you this. If you're a leverage trader, be careful with Ethereum most of all. I've gotten hurt on Ethereum a lot. It's got a lot more volatility than Bitcoin, and I feel like there's a lot more whales playing whale games and trading. Don't be surprised, guys, if on this 15-minute candle, all of a sudden we kind of bounce off this and we kind of do one of these, okay? Don't be surprised for one of those. That happens all the time on Ethereum. Here we go. Bitcoin also trying to make a move right now. Let's see what happens. Does look like maybe it wants to come down. Let's see how it plays out, folks. 93 viewers, 78 likes. We did hit a record. We had a record for most amount of viewers on a live stream on this channel. If you're new to this channel, I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. We have been tracking these markets since the FTX exchange collapse. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, well, tune in, guys, because you're going to learn a lot here. You're going to learn a lot here. Michael Artezi says, is Gus a rug? I hope not. I hope not. I have thousands upon thousands of dollars in Gus, and I'm not selling anytime soon. I won't even think about taking profits on Gus until we're past a $10 million market cap, and I'll be frank with you. Here's the thing. What is he talking about? For those of you guys that are new, again, DeFi is being built on Bitcoin. How? Via Stacks, the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. What the heck is Gus? Well, when you look at these tokens here, in this market, and you look at the Stacks tokens. How do I know they're Stacks tokens? Just look, guys. They're trading pairs with Stacks, okay? How do I know that these are, what are these guys, and could they be rug pulls? Certainly, they could be rug pulls. I have no idea. But the theory is that these meme tokens are going to explode if Stacks breaks previous all-time highs. Now, I have personally a couple of these. I got a lot of Gus. I got a lot of Welsh. In fact, I have more Gus than I have Welsh now because I made more gains. But these things are right now, and here's the crazy part about this. Again, what is Gus? It's a meme token on Stacks. It's at a $4 million market cap. Here's my crazy theory for those of you guys that are new. We got 99 viewers. If you guys are new, you're going to want to stick around, and you need to hear this. You need to hear this. If you're going to succeed in crypto, you need to just be aware of some of this stuff. I'm not telling you, if you want to succeed in crypto, that you need to buy these silly memes on Stacks, but you need to be aware of them. And here's the whole hypothesis, guys, okay? I'm going to go back to categories here. I want to show you something, okay? Get ready. So, again, we see Gus, and it is at a $4 million market cap. It is the second dog meme on Bitcoin, to my knowledge. Maybe some people say it's Borden. Gus is the only other one. Why am I saying Gus? Because when you look at Alex Labs, it's one of the other ones that are available here to do in the swap function on Alex Labs. But why am I so bullish on Gus? Because, dudes, Pepe is at $1.3 billion market cap. It's the frog meme on Ethereum. Bonk. The dog meme on Solana is at $1 billion market cap, right? Dog with hat is at a $686 billion market. Corgi AI is at a $600 million market cap. We got Floki at a $500 million market. We got MAGA Trump at a $300 million market. Trump, it's controversial. $300 million market. We got MOG Coin. Don't even know what that is. At a $128 million market cap. We got Dogecoin Mars at a $98 million market cap. We got baby Dogecoin, which hit $1 billion market cap in the last bull cycle. And you're telling me that there is no chance that a silly little meme like Gus or Welsh can hit $1 billion market cap, guys? I'm talking about 100x gains. I'm talking about 10x gains for Welsh to $1 billion market cap from current price levels about. And let's get specific. Where's Welsh at right now? 82 million. I'm talking over 10x gains. If you're holding Welsh, if it gets to $1 billion, it's the first dog meme on Bitcoin. I'm screaming it in your face here because it's very important that you're aware of it. Gus is a much smaller market cap at $4 million. If Gus can achieve $82 million, guys, I'm going to make a lot of money. I'm going to make a stupid amount of money, and we're going to talk about it live on stream, and we're going to be taking profits. I'm going to keep you guys aware. You look at these meme tokens here, 4 million, 82 million, and then you look at these other ones that everybody's focused on and nobody's aware of the Stacks memes tokens. We have a lot of money to be made. Where am I going to take profit in? I'm going to take profit into some of the legitimate plays here within this ecosystem, like Alex, like Welsh, like Arcadeco. I'm a broken record, guys, but I know there's a lot of new people, and you need to hear it. You need to hear it. Okay, guys? Sorry if the stream is lagging a little bit. I hope it's okay. When I'm moving around a lot, it tends to lag a little bit. Let's see. Hopefully Gus can keep its move up. I don't know. Let's see what we got for Bitcoin right now. Guys, if you're new, we got 92 viewers, 81 likes. Smash the like button for me. Ron Wilson with 5 gifted memberships. Congratulations to Vaza, WCBJJ77, The News, Andrew Tiberol. Welcome to you. Torito7289. Welcome, my friend. Shout out to you. And Aiden Reticinas. who is gifted you've been gifted many memberships on this channel, Aiden. Why? Because you're hanging around. Servand Urandande says, is the stream lagging? I hope it's not lagging. Let me know if the stream's lagging. I hope it's not. I got my Ethernet cable in. Let me know if we're lagging, guys. I want to hear your opinion. We are right now at a 50-50 split of if Bitcoin can hit previous all-time highs. Today, we're looking a little bearish right now on the 5-minute candles. Let's get down to the 15-minute candles. More liquidations coming for the greedy longs. Don't be surprised, guys, if we take a little rip dip back down to about this $57,000 level. Lickety split. Right meow. This could happen. Shkaboosh. We could see it. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't have a magic 8-ball. I don't have the ability to see the future, but we can certainly speculate and we can certainly watch it live and have a lot of fun doing it. We can certainly have some fun doing it, friends. Bitcoin's dipping. What happens when Bitcoin dips? Stacks dips too. Oh, man, y'all, I'll tell you. Absolutely a beautiful time. Drem1 says no laggy. Very good, very good. Guys, are you on Twitter? If you're not, you're messing up, Jim. You got to go on Twitter. You got to follow me, CryptoKip Tweets on Twitter. You got to follow my partner on this channel, Crowbag Reveal, next week. Wait, maybe 2 weeks from now. Coming up soon. Follow me on Twitter. Follow my partner on this channel on Twitter. Because, guys, we're making some calls. And if you're not on crypto Twitter, then you're messing up. Now, if you are on crypto Twitter, you better be retweeting these streams because we're going to grow this community, guys. The more people we get in the stream, the more people can get aware, and the more people we can get in early to make some money on stacks. Because I'm telling you, it's early for stacks. We're not even breaking previous all-time highs. This thing wasn't even a narrative in the last bull market. Wasn't even a narrative. This thing didn't make it to the top 10. I'm telling you, it deserves to be a top 3 token. It's the easy 10x play. It's the easy 10x play, y'all. No lag, all good. Glad to hear it. Very good. Very good. Keep an eye on Bitcoin, y'all. Keep an eye on Bitcoin right now. $60,777. Who's trading? Who's trading? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, if you just got gifted a membership on this channel, then you got to be aware of it, guys. We do have access to a private Discord for you if you are a member. And if you were just gifted a member, you have access to that. What do you do? All you got to do is you got to go ahead and you got to go to Discord. And you got to go to settings and you link your YouTube account to your Discord. You get access to our private Discord, y'all. You get access to our private Discord. Anthro says, wow, Coinbase messed up big. Crow to the Moon says, Coinbase down. Users seeing 0. I know. That's probably why this dip is coming, because Coinbase is down. Guess what, guys? That happens every single time that Coinbase goes down. Everybody's freaking out about it. And now people are starting to FOMO. Well, why is Coinbase down? And people will realize Coinbase is down because people are FOMOing into crypto right now. Coinbase being down is a good thing, believe it or not. That sounds stupid, but it's real. But it's real. Is crypto.com down? I don't think crypto.com's down. Is it? I don't think it is. Given the success of the Bitcoin ETF, it's pretty obvious that an Ethereum ETF will soon bloom, says Jim Cramer. Very interesting. Flipping bullish again. Does that mean it's time for us to retrace the other way? You don't like when Jim Cramer says something bullish. Coinbase has crashed for select users due to a surge in app usage, says blocknews.com. There you go, guys. Exactly as I said. That's a good thing. You want to see it. Everybody's going, Coinbase is 404. It's a sign of things to come. Please use DeFi from now on. Absolutely. What else we got? Everybody's complaining about Coinbase. I love it. I love it. Then the news is going to talk about it, and then people are going to start FOMOing into crypto more. We're early, guys. We're early. It's great. Biddy the kitty. We'll see. We'll see. Wow. Breaking news. Senator Mitch McConnell is going to resign as GOP leader in November. Thank goodness. That man froze up live on national television because he's old. We need a lot of other folks in government to retire. Those guys are too old. Too old. Coinbase crash is following Bitcoin pump. No surprise there, folks. No surprise there. Bitcoin is 64.8 on Coinbase or on crypto.com. Unbelievable. I'm just looking at Twitter while we're looking at these charts. This is a wild time. If you guys have any questions, you let me know in the comments down below. Coinbase down, great for Cronos. Yeah, potentially. CDC still up. I've been checking my gains every 5 minutes. That's fun. That's fun, guys. Carlos said, I follow you on Twitter. I didn't even get a follow back. Well, Carlos, DM me, brother. I'll follow you back. You're in my chat. follow you back. I'm not going to follow everybody back, but I'll follow you, Carlos. I'll follow each and every single one of you guys on Twitter if you're in my live stream. I support my community. I support my community that supports me. It goes both ways, folks. I'm just a guy. I'm just a regular guy. We could be friends. We could be friends. I'll be friends with all 1,000 of you. Bring it on. Bring on some friends, guys. Let's be crypto rich friends together, okay? Stack should be a top 3 to top 10 crypto, says Hawk Dark. Exactly my prediction as well, brother. I couldn't be more with you. Couldn't be more with you, my friend. Bitcoin, though, finding a little bit of downside. Let's see what we got. What's the website? Sat Screener, my friend. Here you go. Boom. Go to satsscreener.com, folks. Matter of fact, kaboom. Here we go. Does it even work? There you go. That's how you track this stuff. That's how you track all these Bitcoin-related plays. 90% of them need to retire, says Carlito Figueroa. Carlito, am I saying your name right? I was really good at Spanish back in the day. My sister lived in Mexico for 9 months, and so it was kind of a big part of our family. So I really do like, I got an affinity for Latinos. It's just like Latino culture. Love it. So I enjoy saying your names. So I'll really put some flair on it. Not meant to be offensive, just because I love the names. I genuinely love the names. Ants Gross says 91 viewers. Keep growing well. Well, we're trying to grow, man, and that's why we're calling out some of the crazy money-making plays here on Bitcoin DeFi. Wow. Hopefully Gus can keep going. Hopefully Welsh can keep going. We are seeing these things pump. Whoa, almost messed up everything. Let's see what we got over the last 7 days. How about that? You want 689,000% gains? I don't think that's like real, by the way. I don't think this is accurate. I don't like this one. I'm staying away from this coin. I don't like it. I don't like what I'm seeing with it. A lot of these other tokens are cooling off right now. We'll see what happens here. All right, let's go back to the Bitcoin charts, y'all. Wow, Kip or anybody else, leverage trading can change your life. I love it. We got a great leverage trader in the chat. Brandyline, what are your levels, brother? He says, I'm going to pay off the rest of the 18K left on my mortgage today. This is real. Oh my goodness, Brandon, you are killing it. I love it. I personally stay away from the leverage. You know what? Mrs. Crypto Kip, are you in the chat? My love? My heart, my soul, my fire. Are you in the chat, Mrs. Crypto Kip? Mrs. Crypto Kip, if you ever see in the chat, that's my wife. Big shout out to Mrs. Crypto Kip. She is a patient soul with me, the crypto psycho. Here we go. Ethereum, again, I told you guys, don't be surprised if it touches down to this 3255 level. Okay, friends? Bitcoin. Brandyline, yep, it is not for everybody. Leverage trading is not for everybody, but if you guys do want to leverage trade, you can do it using Femex. In the link down below. Free money when you deposit money. Just be careful, guys, because if you longed it here, then you just got liquidated, okay? Unless you had a stop loss, which would be great. Stop losses are probably dangerous at a time like this. Unless you're using really low leverage, then it's good to do. Stop losses are important, but, I don't know. Crypto Guy West wants to know how many Crow I own. I own a lot of Crow. Specifically, I own... And that's how many Crow I own. Sorry, guys. I will tell you guys how many Crow I own. Probably on the 7th. That's when my Crow bags get released. I unstaked them from the crypto.com DeFi wallet and the Cronos POS chain. I'm going to show that live on screen. Probably on the 6th or 7th of next month. So get ready. Thoughts on AMP? AMP. I don't know. What's AMP? I'm more excited about Bitcoin DeFi. It's the most attractive narrative in the space. It's the most attractive narrative in the space to me. Bitcoin DeFi. Not saying AMP's bad. There's going to be a lot of ways to make gains. Let's look at AMP for you, though. Let's see what the big gainers are on the day. I bet you AMP's one of them, isn't it? Not really. Interesting. Okay, why AMP? You got a big bag of AMP? Oh, wait, these are the losers. AMP's not up there. Okay, let's see what we got. Pepe's ripping. Arweave absolutely ripping. How about a 50% gain on the day? How about a 28% gain on the day? That's awesome. Awesome. Congratulations to any of you guys holding any of these coins right now. There's going to be a lot of ways to make money, guys. Obviously, I can't be in everything all together with ya. If I could support each and every single one of your tokens, then I would. But I do in heart. I want all your bags to pump, whether you're an XRP holder, whether you're a Jasmine holder, whether you're an even lunatic classic holder. I hate that stuff, but I hope you're making money, guys. I really, really do. Let's look at AMP for you. Let's look at AMP. I don't know why it's not working. Coinbase is, or everything's freaking out right now. Where's AMP? Not Ampleforth. I know what Ampleforth is. I don't know where AMP is. Oh well. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. Sorry, I can't find it. Can't find it. Let's focus on the chart of Bitcoin. Let's do the Bitcoin thing. Back below 60,000. Breaking news. Bitcoin's back below $60,000. Holding 85K Crow here, says Burong Ray. Nice bag of Crow, brother. Servan Udenarde. Or Udenarde. Octavia can be a game changer. An AI that can change you much more. Sounds crazy. Maybe Servan. Maybe Servan. I don't know. The AI plays are certainly something that are enticing. Crow to the moon. What is the play on AMP? What is AMP? I can't find it right now. I don't frankly want to get off this Bitcoin chart because it's just too darn attractive right now. Ron Wilson says, my girlfriend is Puerto Rican and Italian, the best of both worlds. I love it. Very nice. Very nice. I got a pure Italian. You know, I got a pure Italian, and I love her. I love her. She's like 100% Italian. Mrs. Crypto Kip, shout out to you if you're there. Congratulations on our gains, honey. We're doing well. Burong Ray says, probably sell half my Crow at $1.40. Not a bad sell price, you know. Anth Crow says, Welsh got me debt-free. Nothing but gains the rest of my bags. My guy. Love it, Anth. Great moves. Crypto Guy West says, what do you consider a big bag of Crow to change your life in Crow? I don't know. I think you could go, you know, I mean, again, $2 to $5 Crow, you get a $5 Crow and you have 200,000 Crow, you get $1 million bucks, you know, so bada bing, bada boom. Is that going to happen? I don't know. I don't know. 100K Crow is a lot of Crow, I think. If you got $1 million Crow, you got a lot. And if you got over $1 million Crow, then, yeah, then you got a way lot, an insane amount. Which could play out beautifully. We'll see. We'll see. But, you know, we want to diversify, guys. We want to make sure we're getting into some of these other plays here as well. All right, so we're getting a little big red hourly candle here, and that's okay. That's okay. This thing could flip green. Again, let's see how this 4 hourly candle closes out. Wouldn't be surprised to get a retracement. Now, this candle has already played out, so one thing that everybody was kind of looking at was we had this kind of bull flag pattern right here. And so where's the flag? What is a bull flag? Well, here it is. Look at it. This is what happened. We were tracking this on this channel. And I mean, like, you could say that maybe that's the entirety of the bull flag, potentially. Let's see what we got. And so did that play out? It kind of did. Yeah, it kind of played out exactly. So there you go. That's kind of why we, you know, and that could kind of be our stopping point. So, you know, be aware of that, guys. This could kind of be it for this little run, but you never know. If Bitcoin keeps its momentum and people get greedy and they start to short it here because they think it has to crash, it has to crash. Well, then, you know, maybe it doesn't. You kind of to us in one video how much Crow you had. Oh, maybe I did, Rax. You know, I have dropped some secret clues about how much stacks I have. If you've been paying attention to every single one of my videos, you should be able to figure out exactly how many Crow coins that I have. I've slipped. I've given you guys the hints because I don't really care. I don't really care. I got nothing to hide. We're just having fun. I just think it's a nice mystery because you guys keep asking. It's a lot of fun, and I'll show you guys soon. I'm going to show you in a week. I was gonna wait till the halving, but you know what? Let's do it here because we're in parabolic mode. It's beautiful. 84 viewers, 91 likes. Do me a favor, smash that like button because I know there's a couple newcomers into this space. Now the vote is in. You guys are split decision, 50-50. Very interesting to see. Can we see Bitcoin hit? Can we see Bitcoin hit all-time highs today? Maybe. You guys are 50-50. Split decision. 138 votes. That's pretty darn good. Did Crow break out of the flag? Let's see. Crow looks like it's a little red right now. No. Not yet. Not yet. Ron Wilson says 1.5 million Crow is what you have. I'm calling it right now. We're taking other guesses in the chat. Crow never had a flag, says Anth. I agree. Yeah, I didn't see really flag with that, Anth. I agree with you. I didn't quite know what he was talking about there. Maybe he was just talking about like this thing. Did it break out of here? It almost did, actually. Wow. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's zoom in on this. Crow versus BTC. If you're holding Crow and you want to know what's going on with Crow, well then you should be looking at this specifically. Okay. Zoom out. Zoom out. Figure it out. Figure it out. Almost said my own name out loud. My real name. I don't want the 5-minute candles. I want the hourlies. Give me the hourlies. Yeah, we almost had it. Now that could be it, guys. That could be. Ooh, that could be it. Oh man, I really want Crowcoin to bottom out versus Bitcoin here. Look at this. We got a big red wick below. That's a lower low. Breaking news: a lower low for Crow versus Bitcoin, but it's a wick, and that's okay. I'd be okay with even getting a wick down to here for the record. In the grand scheme of things, what is the story being told? Look, you know what? Let's actually adjust this. Yeah, I mean, it's a lower low. You look, the end of the month for March is a definite moment where we kind of have to like either touch down here or break back up for Crow versus Bitcoin. Let's see how it plays out. Bitcoin back above 60,000. That's the flag you're talking about? Yeah, we kind of broke down below it, Scott. Yeah, it's not technically a flag. I think that's where Anth was coming from, but no harm, no foul, Scott. All good, brother. I don't know. Look, Scott, bull flag, wedges, whatever. Who cares? Like, here's some lines. You know, we're just having fun. It's a longer term trend. You know, it's fun to watch these things. We're speculating. We're trying to figure out kind of what comes next, but, you know, we don't have Magic 8 Ball over here. Wedges, candles. This was definitely, here's a true bull flag. This is a true, very clear bull flag. And just straight up, guys, I'm looking at kind of like, I'm looking at other people that are better at TA than me when I'm just grabbing some of the key levels and I'm kind of bringing them to this channel. Yes, you know, people share TA. You know, I know there's a lot of just copycat traders out there. It's okay. You know, if you can get some good ideas, it's okay to share ideas. That's why we have this channel. We want to share good ideas here on this channel. Rax says, is your video still on YouTube teaching people about Roth IRA? Kip always gives us hints about him. Yeah, so Rax, I talked about 401ks and Roth IRAs and getting exposure to crypto related plays recently. Yeah, but here's your true bull flag, guys. This was a true bull flag, you know, because you see, here's the flag. Let me draw the flag again. This is what a flag looks like. See it? It's waving in the air. You can grab it and you can just go, woo! You know? Bitcoin really wants it, guys. It really does. It really, really does. Yes, actually. Actually insane. Insanity. Pure insanity. Pure hype. Absolutely incredible. Thanks. I'm new. I was referring to your Crow video from before. Very beautiful. Scott, welcome to the channel, my brother. I know a new face when I see one, and I know you are new, my brother. Crypto Cronos Bull, really love the Stacks token. What do you think about Stacks market cap will range from in the bull cycle? 50 to 100 million. It's 50 to 100 billion. 50 to 100 billion. Currently at about 4.5 billion. I know these numbers off the top of my head, folks. I live, breathe, eat, sleep crypto, and so does Mrs. Crypto Kip, unfortunately. That's why it's a blessing that she's such a patient soul with me. Steve Wu says Coinbase is back up. Does that mean that the pump continues? Now people can FOMO in? Good. If Coinbase is back up, then the pump might resume. Get those retail investors FOMOing in. If you're early, you want some other folks to come in and buy. That's just how it is. Today would be a great day to drop the mystery how much crow you have. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till crow's ripping. That'll be a better day. Let's wait till crow's ripping. Crypto Bull, Crypto Cronos Bull, you're awesome. Each and every single one of you guys are awesome. Shout out to these folks on the chat. If you're not a member, I still love you. Steve Wu, you're a member. I love you even more. Brandy Lion, you're a member. I love you the most, my brother. The most as well, even more. Ant Crow, Ron Wilson, just kidding. I love you all equally. Even if you're not a member, I love you all equally, guys. Just thank you for supporting this channel. And I hope you're making money hand over fist. Hand over fist. Hand over fist right now, okay? Bitcoin's trying to make a move back up. Let's see if we can do it. But shout out to Servan. Shout out to AB. Smoke. Let's see. We got Scott Lavari. Say hi to Scott, y'all. He's new. Give him some love. We like newcomers. Checkmate. I think you're new too. Mike J. I don't remember you. Leo is catching up to Welsh. Mike J. Leo's not going to flip Welsh. Not going to happen, Jack. But Leo's going to do well. Cats are less than dogs. Okay? Facts. I could be wrong. But that's my belief. Let's see what else we got. If you want to become a member on this channel, you can do so in the link in the description down below. If you want to trade this volatility on Bitcoin, you can sign up for Femex using our link down below as well, guys. Got a bull market coming. Are you ready? If you guys are holding Stacks tokens, give me a 1 in the chat. If you guys are not holding Stacks tokens, give me a 2 in the chat, okay? Just give me a little 1. Let me know if you're holding some Stacks. If you're not, give me a 2 in the chat. Let me see. I want to see where we're at, folks. QBA says, will you do a full video on staking and stacking back in? Unstacking and stacking back in. Are you talking about staking? I already unstaked. It's really easy. You just click on stake. You know, I kind of did a video. I could go back and do it again if you want. QBA. Thanks for the question. QBA, you've been around for a long time. Okay, we got a couple folks. 1.5, what does that mean, Servan? That means you want to? Does that 1.5 means you don't have stacks, but you're trying desperately to get it. How about that? Let's get some of those comments going, guys. All right, we got a lot of stacks. Okay, there we go. Do I hold any Alex? Detect, I don't hold any Alex, actually. That doesn't mean I don't love Alex. Look, Alex is about to hit price discovery mode with stacks. Alex is a fantastic play. I think it's a fantastic idea to hold stacks. If you don't have the stomach for the memes on stacks, like the degenerate that is me right now, then just get some stacks. Just get some stacks. Get some Alex tokens. Get some Arcadico. Get some stack swap coins, guys. That's fine. If you don't have the stomach for these silly little memes, then just get some of the tried and true. Get some of the plays that are more, you know, the big caps, right? Which is going to be Alex Labs, which is going to be Arcadico, which is going to be Stack Swap, which is going to be Stacks, obviously, is the safest, most sure play because that's what this is all built on top of. We got 99 likes. This is the most likes we've ever had in a live stream, so congratulations to you guys for making it possible. Appreciate all the love. Welsh, a little bit red on the day. Let's see what we got. It's all right. I think these things are going to flip and rip to all-time highs. This thing double peaked out. Let's see. Did it even get above? It didn't get above. It didn't get above. Let's see if it can. All right. Folks in our chat. Oh, we got gifted memberships from Brandy Lion. Gifted 5 more memberships. Congratulations to Checkmate 007. Servan Quayande. He is a member as well. Tej with another membership. Tej, glad you're a member again. My brother G gifted a membership. I've seen you around, G. Welcome. Terry Teles. I've never seen you before, Terry. Welcome to the Crypto Report as a member. Brandy Lion has some stacks. Mr. Hops has some stacks. You've got Brother 84 and BSS and D-Tech that have some stacks. You've got 360 Odyssey with 21s. He's got a lot of stacks. You got Ron Wilson, doesn't have any stacks yet. Oh, no, it's okay. Scott LeVar doesn't have any stacks yet. Oh, no, it's okay. Sir Von wants stacks, but he doesn't have stacks yet. Crypto Cronos Bull Run has some stacks, and we got some new members on the channel. Could Crow hit an all-time high this run? Scott, if Crow doesn't hit an all-time high this run, then everything that we've done on this channel with Crow was for naught. The whole hypothesis I have about Crow, and the reason I hold Crow, is because I believe that it is going to hit all-time highs. I think it's going to hit a $2 to $5 Crow. Oh, Scott wants a membership. You can buy a membership, my brother. You can buy one. In the comments down below, it's just $5. It goes to supporting the channel. Hey, if you're making money off the content and you want to give back to us, we accept your donations. We accept the support. At the end of the day, we are taking hours and hours and hours and days out of our life to bring you guys content. So each and every one of you that support us, a big thank you from me and Black C. Does not go unnoticed. It does not go unappreciated. It literally is changing our lives, and hopefully we're able to change your lives as well, guys. So that's what's going on right now. I feel pretty good. Hold on, folks. Give me one sec. All right, guys. All right, guys. Welcome to everybody. Yeah, if you hang out, guys, hey, you know, I don't know if you can pick who you're giving memberships, but Scott wants one. Scott wants one. Scott wants one. Maybe, hey, if you're friendly to Brandon, you never know. Brandon's like the gift master. So is Ron Wilson. So is Crypto Guy West or something like that. Those guys are gifting memberships like Santa Claus on the daily. It's regular. And they're doing it more when they're making money. Brian Mallory says, appreciate your videos. Brian from Las Vegas. Brian from Las Vegas, I love ya. Thanks for your support. I'd love Scott to have a membership too. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin, see what's going on. Guys, I got to use the men's room, okay? I've been streaming for too long. I'll be right back, guys. Do not go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. Throw me some questions in the chat. Actually, before I go, and I'm not going. I'm not leaving. Don't leave. I'm not leaving. Don't leave. We're hanging out still. Do me a favor and go ahead, and if you, let's see, if you're holding Welsh, give me a 1 in the chat. If you're not holding Welsh, give me a 2 in the chat. I want to see the results when I get back. Just going to use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, guys, I'm back. You're still with me. That's great to see. All right, a lot of you guys don't have Welsh. Interesting. Gotta stream while streaming. Oh, man, you guys are ridiculous. I love it. I'm ridiculous, too. We're having fun. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Bobby Bitcoin, let's see it, Bobby Bitcoin, let's go. I'm sitting today. We're hanging back. We're relaxing. We're enjoying it, guys. We're just enjoying the rip. All right, so we're about 50-50 on folks that are doing Welsh and stuff. I don't know how to work this leather wallets. Careful, Rax. If you're new to DeFi, be careful, guys. Look, here's how it works. You download these DeFi wallets, either leather or Xverse. If you don't know what a seed phrase is, Google it. You need to, and also Google how to protect yourself and save your seed phrase in a secure way. You don't take a screenshot of your seed phrase. You don't store it in your computer. You write it down on a physical piece of paper. And I don't even have my seed phrases here in my apartment because, you know, God forbid somebody comes and, you know, breaks in, they get my seed phrases. Nuh-uh, I'm smarter than that. We're not going to do that. You know, you put them in a safety deposit box if you want to be the safest, but I got other strategies in place. You got to save, you know, so what you do is you download these wallets, you save your seed phrases, you transfer in stacks, and then you go to the Alex Labs platform that we talk about so much on this channel, and then you can start swapping around. Then you can start swapping around. Then you can start swapping around. The swap function, guys, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Here it is. This is what you do. And then you want to get some Arcadico. Kaboom. Ready? Here it is. I'm going to do it. Boom. Bam. You can get it right there. Go back to stat screener. Let's see what we got. We got 107 likes, guys. We're breaking records today. Hopefully Bitcoin breaks some records too. We got 12 new members in this stream. That's a record too. Go to the dailies here. Welsh still right on the daily. Gus is hanging out on the daily. We'll see here what we got. Dashboard. Stacks still hanging on to $3. Okay. Very good. Let's see what we got here. We got Bitcoin still above 60. That's great to see. Last night, Black C and I were having a conversation, and I won't say who said what, but, you know, we went to bed and we were like, I'll see you in the morning. One of us said, you know, I'll see you at 6. I'll see you in the morning when Bitcoin's at 53K. And then another one of us said, I'll see you in the morning when Bitcoin's at 63K. And one of us was right. I won't say who. I'll leave that mystery for you. But unbelievable, huh? Unbelievable, guys. 84 viewers, 108 likes. Do me a favor, smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report, and people are getting rich right now. That's how it is. How are they getting rich? Well, they understand that DeFi is being built on stacks, and they're making a butt ton of money, as we're about to see maybe Bitcoin break all-time highs. This is one of my longer streams, guys. APTV says, Chase doesn't allow crypto purchasing. Yeah, not from your cards. You got to link your bank accounts directly to a Coinbase or directly to a crypto.com. I actually buy all my crypto through crypto.com, and then I just transfer it over into like the DeFi wallets, or, you know, I can transfer it out. I've been lately buying stacks, and I've been transferring my stacks out into my Lether or Xverse wallet, and then interacting with some of the decentralized applications within the stacks ecosystem. You were right, or else you wouldn't mention it. Well, yeah. I mean, yeah, we were right. I'm not bragging. I'm just stating the truth. You know, I hope you're making money. If I'm right, great. You're making money if you listened. I didn't give you financial advice. I didn't say, go buy this. I said, here's what I'm buying, and here's why, and I'm insanely bullish, and I think I've got a good case to be made for why these things see more upside, potentially. We want to see Solana break out of this wedge as well. I know there's a lot of Solana bulls out there. Ethereum, again, what did I say, guys? What did I say? I said this thing could easily bounce off this red moving average. That's exactly what happened. So hypothetically, say I was a leverage trader. If I was a leverage trader, I would long it like right now. I would already be in this long. I would have already been watching this. I would have bought this thing when I saw it on the red line. And now let's see what happens. So let's do a little pretend. Let's do a little pretend. Let's say I opened my order there, okay? That's where I opened it in my pretend leverage trading world. Understandable to short it too right now, I'll tell you, because this thing is like really ridiculous. These are insane gains. Let's see what's going on with the daily candles for Bitcoin. What do we got on? I can't even see it on the daily. So at one point we had, let's see what this was. From the bottom of this candle to the top. How about that, guys? You're talking about $1 trillion asset going up 12% in a day. That is what can happen, you know, and it's not that surprising. Look at Nvidia, guys. It's a $2 trillion market cap for Nvidia, and it can go up 12% in a day. Why can't Bitcoin? The institutions are FOMOing into it right now. Why? Because they see the narrative. Bitcoin's unstoppable. It's here to stay. Bitcoin is officially flipped bullish for JP Morgan. Jim Cramer was on national TV crying because he didn't have Bitcoin because he made a dumb call. That's the whole point of this stream. If you're looking at this stream, yes, Jim Cramer's tears are delicious. Brandon, the guy. Emmy says, deposit just hit, grabbing some more stacks on CDC to transfer to get more Welsh. Yeah, well, good luck, Emmy. Unfortunately, there's a 10-day transfer period if you're doing from your bank account. So I'm waiting on my stacks to become available on crypto.com. I'm putting it over to DeFi. I'm probably going to put in some more of these meme plays as well because I'm a degen right now. 100% degen. Not 100% degen, but just having a lot of fun. I got a theory. I believe in it. Beckenbauer Gaming says, where can I see the Discord? If you go into Discord, you have to have a Discord account. You go into Discord, you go into your settings, you go into settings, you go to link accounts, you link your YouTube account by logging in into Discord, and bada boom, bada bing, then you will have access to our private Discord. If you want access to our private Discord and you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can get access to it. Blacksea and I are talking with our community directly. We'll probably do some private member-only calls if you're a member on this channel for you guys. On Discord at night, as far as, you know, even at 10 p.m. Central Standard Time, maybe, is what we're going to do. Late night calls, like me and my buddy Blacksea hanging out at 10 p.m. If you want to join the conversation, well, it's going to happen eventually, guys. We're going to do it. You can become a member on the channel to get access to that private Discord in the link in the description down below. Or if you hang out, there was 12 gifted memberships on this channel today. So if you hang out, you might get gifted a membership, but you got to stick around. If you're not here, you're not going to get a gifted membership and get access to that free alpha, potentially, or cheap alpha for $5, you know. And not to say we're making all the right plays, but we've been making a lot of incredible plays lately. The Solana. Where did we buy Solana, guys? Where did we buy Solana? I didn't. I made the mistake. I'm not going to make them all. Blacksea was buying Solana here. So what is the gains on that? Kaboom. Yes. That is 1100% gains. Absolutely incredible, right? What about Ethereum? You know, we've been talking about Ethereum, guys. I was DCing into Ethereum this entire, you know, Ethereum, some people are just bored by Ethereum, and I get it. You know, you're looking for more gains. But if you bought Ethereum at the bottom, well, congratulations. Whoops. You're up from the bottom when we talked about it, 280%. Even Bitcoin, absolutely incredible. Bitcoin's up. It's like up 300%. This is what we're doing, guys. Bitcoin's trying to go up, trying to make new highs. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. We got 15-minute candles. We're moving up. We're getting some green, guys. Let's see. Bitcoin's in the fight of its life, y'all. Quick trades only right now. Yep, I love it. I love it. The quick trades indeed. So far, let's see here. Watch this. Watch this. I just did a pretend long on this stream. It was pretend. I didn't actually long it. I'm not leverage trading. Boom. So far, so good. What a great buy. Bam. Don't be surprised, guys, if this thing comes back up here. At least, if not, retest the highs. Okay? Yeah, so, I mean, like, that's a lot of moves, guys. 4 or 5% gains on a leverage trade, that's big moves. That's big moves. That's big money. Ron Wilson says, I'm tempted to take 2 ETH I have and flip it and get a whatever that will get me in Welsh. Stacks is the way to get into Welsh. I need Crow to hit already. I got to pay my child support. Oh, Donald Campbell, I'm sorry you got child support, brother, but I'm glad you got a kiddo. Little kiddo's a good blessing in this world. I'm sorry you got to pay some child support. Yo, Donald, are you in any other coins? You tell me right now in this chat. You tell me what coins you got in this chat. I'll give you a free consultation right on this chat. It's not financial advice, but I'll give you some ideas, man. Yeah, a lot of people are feeling the urge to sell some Bitcoin, sell some ETH for some of these other altcoins. That's a dangerous play, but it can be rewarding. Miles Logan says, Crow to $1. I'm ready for it. Let's see where Crow's at right now. Still above 10 cents. Beautiful. Beautiful spot. Beautiful thing, guys. I think we're going to get a big breakout for Crow soon, so just hang in there, brothers. Love it. Love what I'm seeing, guys. Love what I'm seeing. We got another gifted membership. Miles Logan, congratulations, Miles. Welcome to the Crypto Report memberships. You are now a legend. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Give me a holler, guys. We got another 5-minute candle turning green for Bitcoin. Let's see if it can continue. This thing does look like it wants to continue to move. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's go. Let's go. Get me back to 61. Get me back to 62 in a lickety split hurry, guys. Miles Logan, welcome to the Crypto Report membership. Welcome to the Crypto Report if you're new to this channel. Doing 5 videos every single day. Making a lot of money. So much money I don't even know what to do with myself. So much money I can't go to bed at night. And I feel like a psychopath. But that's crypto, baby. That's crypto. Don't thank me, Miles. Thank Brandon, the trash trader, the legend, the man paying off his mortgage today. Why? Because he is privy to the gains that come from crypto. He is a leverage trader, and he's making money. You can leverage trade like Brandon and try to make some money. You could use Femex. We got a link down below, but it's dangerous. It's dangerous. Let's see here. What do we got? BTC. We're flipping red. We're flipping red. Let's see. Looks pretty good, though. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see here, guys. We'll see. Ron Wilson, with Coinbase back up, I think we'll start seeing pumps again. I do agree, Ron. I do agree. I could be wrong, but I do agree. Crypto Keeper bought 2 big bags of Solana, one at $8 and another at $10. Killing it. Awesome. Crypto Keeper, did you take any profit out of your Solana? Just curious. Not suggesting it. Just curious. Servan asks, are you planning on doing deep dives into Cronos DeFi apps? Yeah, I mean, look. They're swap tools, VVS. You can swap. You can do liquidity pools. It's all the same. It's all the same. One liquidity pool is no different from the other. Tectonic, you can borrow and you can lend. Well, what else? You got Vino, where you can do liquid staking, where you can have better liquidity for your Crow and you can borrow against it. They're pretty straightforward, but I could do them. Frankly, Servan, I'm not focused on the Cronos ecosystem right now. I'm just being transparent to you because it's the Bitcoin DeFi narrative. And then the Crow and Cronos narrative is going to pump alongside it. And I'm bullish on it. I am bullish on it. I have a insane amount of Crow. Crow's kind of a conservative play in my mind. It's a conservative play. Honestly, I feel like Crow is a conservative play. That's why it's not moving so fast, because it's safer in my mind than buying some Welsh or something. But, more risk, more reward. We'll see. When it's time to start taking my profits on my core portfolio, what's the best way to sell Crow outside of CDC app? The fees on the app are ruthless. Take the profits on your Crow in the DeFi wallet and then transfer the USDT to your crypto.com app. And that's way better than don't take financial advice from me, but I'm not going to sell my tokens on the crypto.com app. I'll sell them in the DeFi wallet. That's where I'll sell my Crow coins, in the DeFi wallet. Are you more bullish right now on Tonic or Fulcrum? Split decision. Tough call. One is a leverage trading platform. That's Fulcrum, and you can do staking in there, and then there's rewards, and it's super cool. And the other one is a borrowing and lending protocol, which is fantastic. They're two different products, so... I mean, they're both leverage, but one's like borrowing and lending protocol, and the other's like, trade my bags at 100x leverage kind of thing. So, bullish on both. But you need Cronos to get exciting. Let's see this thing rip. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's do it. Give these people a show, yo. 84 viewers, 109 likes. Do me a favor, guys, and smash that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you're new. My name's Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. I have 23 cups of coffee in my system, and you probably noticed that already. I'm calming down a little bit because Bitcoin's calming down a little bit. My emotions track exactly with the crypto markets. Isn't that weird? Makes sense, though, right? Gus is red. Gus is red on the day. 2 red candles for Gus. That's fine. A little consolidation. All these coins are kind of cooling off as we're waiting to see what happens next. Did not take any profits yet. If you won there, I don't know if you're diversified. It's nice to diversify. If you did take if you didn't take profits and you got, just even a couple thousand. I don't know. I mean, maybe you made 50,000, maybe you made 100,000, maybe you made 2,000. I don't know. So maybe you take a couple hundred, couple thousand, maybe you diversify, maybe you don't have stacks exposure. I don't know. Your call. When do you think Crow will peak? I think Crow will peak sometime towards the winter or in the spring of 2025. The winter of 2024 or in the spring of 2025. This is the year. You make it or you wait till the next bull run. This is the year. That's my opinion. You can disagree with me. You can remain bullish in 2025. That's fine. I can be bullish in 2025 too, but I'm going to change my life in 2024. Emmy says drink some water. Fine. Thanks, Emmy. Appreciate it. I'll drink some vitamin water. The 0 calorie, 0 sugar drink. Man, I'd love a sponsorship. Vitamin water, if you're watching, sponsor us. Give me some free vitamin water. We have 0 sponsors on this channel. I have no affiliations with anything except for with my community. And that's it. Are you into launchpads? Yes, Sirvan. Launchpads right now. And you know what the most common projects are launching on launchpads? It's Bitcoin-related DeFi projects. That's why I'm a bull on these Bitcoin plays. That's why you see 900 and 1,000% gains over here. We got green, guys. We got green. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Launchpads are cool. I think there's a token coming out for the Ape Terminal Launchpad, which was controversial. That might do well. All right. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. How we doing? How we doing out there? Oh, Bitcoin! Oh, Bitcoin! It's back! 61,114. Mrs. Crypto keeps asking if I can call. I say, watch the stream, honey. Watch the stream. We're catching live pumps. I can't end the stream now. Yeah, so Alex Labs has a launchpad, Sirvan. Thanks for the question. 113 likes, 80 viewers. We're breaking records, guys. Go ahead. If you're on Twitter, you should retweet this stream. Let's get some more folks in here because I think we're about to rip again. Let's go. Come on. Give us the rip. Give us the rip. Let's go. Come on. Let's do it. Let's go. Come on, baby. Woo! I'm getting a little more comfortable with my audience, y'all. We're having a little more fun on the channel these days. I don't want to be all business all the time, but I also don't want you to not take me seriously, because I'm very serious. I'm very serious about this, but we're having fun, okay? If you're here, you probably like the channel, and that makes me happy. But if you like the channel, show me. Smash a like button. Smash a like button. And retweet our stream. Let's rock. Let's roll. Let's make some money. Come on. Bitcoin. Let's go. 61,284. All right. Emmy, you got me drinking water because that's the move. Looking out for me in the chat. Sirvan says, I think they're a great way to diversify and earn some nice little profits. Yeah, launchpads are cool, and getting into ICOs is very cool. You can make some really big money in ICOs, but there's so many launchpads. Which one's the best launchpad? That's the question. So Alex Labs is one of the premium launchpads for Bitcoin-related plays, and Ape Terminal is just one of the most successful launchpads in history. So two to keep my eye on. Those are the ones that I'm familiar with. I like that you said you were weird. Me too. I am so weird. You have no idea, my friend. I'm so weird. I don't even know what I'm doing. I am weird. It's very weird. But weird is good, right? Maybe. Okay, you know what? All right, I have a question for you guys. Whoops. Let's see here. So I'm going to put out a poll. And here we go. So here's the poll. Here we go. We got another green candle coming for Bitcoin in the 5 minutes. Do you see other large YouTubers talking about Bitcoin DeFi? And if the answer is yes, let me know which one's in the chat, because I want to study up. I want to see who's talking about it. I'm taking note. There's Mrs. Crypto Kip. Say hi to Mrs. Crypto Kip, everybody. That's the real Mrs. Crypto Kip. It's my missus. See, I am weird. She can prove it. Oftentimes when we're having a serious conversation, she has to say, can I get, I gotta be careful, I'm missing my name. Can I get serious, Crypto Kip, now? You know? And it's like, okay, I'll snap back to it. But then I pivot right back to, you know, I don't like to take life too seriously. This is something I pride myself on, but it is important to, you know, respect your wife. Happy wife, happy life, right? Right, honey? Right? Mrs. Crypto Kip is the best. The apple of my eye. Shout out to my wife, y'all. QBA says, did you try to get an interview with Chris? I didn't. You know, I know Oscar did. I don't think Chris would do it. Maybe he would. I could try. I don't really care. I just like having fun with you guys. I don't need to talk to some CEO. I'll just watch his tweets, you know? Lots of FOMO coming. Says Brandon, let's see it. Let's see it. 61.3. You guys didn't say hi to Mrs. Crypto Kip. She's the one that makes this possible, guys, because she sacrifices her time so that I can give you mine. She sacrifices our time together. She's a hero. She's a legend. APTV ready for the dip. What dip? We're going to the moon. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, Solana might be getting a breakout. Ooh, it's getting close. Let's see what we got here for Sol. Sol's looking good, guys. Sol might rip. Sol might rip here. Sol might rip. I'm going to go down to the, let's go to the 2 hourlies. Let's see what we got there. I'm going to go to the 4 hourlies. I like that better. I never know. I try to figure out which views to do. Double A says, howdy to Mrs. Crypto Kip. Sharing the love. Love to see it. We got a 4 hourly candle that did wick above this yellow line for Solana. Solana could rip. What does that mean? Let's take an eye at Bonk. Let's see what Bonk's doing. What do you guys think of this intro, by the way? Let me know. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What was I looking at? Bonk. There you go, Mrs. Crypto Kip giving you guys the love. We do appreciate all your support. One day, I mean, honestly, guys, if you can make this YouTube channel one day, 5 years, 10 years from now, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe this year, more of a full-time gig. I'm gonna keep doing insurance. I love insurance, so I love it, and it's easy, and it's easy to me. I'm having a lot of success with that, but if you can sustain, us on this, and all you do is watch. That's all we need. I'm not asking for your money, but if you watch and you're making money, your support means everything to us. We do make ad revenue from YouTube. We make ad revenue from YouTube. I urge anybody out there that has an idea and is passionate about something and that can speak, or even if you can't, just try it. You could make money on YouTube. But we've been doing this for a year and a half. We've kept our feet on the ground. We kept hustling. Glad you like the intro, John. Thank you. You can thank Black C for that. Thank you, Black C. If you're watching, my brother, thank you for setting that up. He handles a lot of our back end work. Obviously, I'm doing a little more content. He handles a lot of the back end. We make a great team, me and Black C. One of my best friends and partner on this channel. My best friend and partner on this channel. I'm glad you guys like it. Bonk looks like it's ripping. Bonk's probably going to break all-time highs here if Solana can really break out of this wedge. And it's looking like it wants to. What do we got for Bitcoin right now? Come on now. Come on now. Get. Did everyone try to sell BTC crash Coinbase? No, Scott. No. Everybody trying to buy Bitcoin crash Coinbase, Scott. If you've never heard the term FOMO, I know you're new to the channel, Scott. I don't know if you're new to crypto. I don't want to assume. But FOMO, fear of missing out. That's what it stands for. FOMO happens every time a bull cycle comes. Typically, a bull market occurs in a very parabolic way after the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving, if you don't know this, I'm not going to assume you do. I'll assume you don't. Bitcoin halving comes in about a month, Scott. In about, well, almost 1 month and a half. 1 month and a half. About midway through April. The halving comes. We go parabolic typically around that time. And what comes is FOMO. And right now, as Bitcoin's almost about to break to all-time highs, people are FOMOing into this market. And so, did everybody trying to sell Bitcoin crash Coinbase? No. I think everybody trying to buy Bitcoin crashed Coinbase. By the way, I opened up a fake long on this channel right now. And I said, here's my long. I'm up. If I was up, I'd probably be out of this trade right now because it's hitting this green line and maybe we, I don't know, break through. Maybe we don't. Don't get greedy. Take profits. Get in, get out. Brandywine, the trash trader, in the chat. He's getting in, he's getting out. He's using higher leverage, so he's making more gains, but just don't be greedy with this stuff. If you want to leverage trade, use the link in the description down below when you deposit money into Femex. Very easy app to use on your iPhone. You can get free money when you do deposit money in there, so check it out, but just be careful, guys. I don't want you to lose your money trying to, make $1 million in one trade. You're not going to make $1 million in one trade. That's not how it works. It's a couple hundred, couple thousand here. Don't get greedy, guys. Don't get greedy. Oh, by the way, guys, check out, we have swag now. Check out the Crypto Report swag in the comments, guys. We got some merch. Shout out to Mrs. Crypto Kip. Made it possible. I helped her out a little bit with it. But go into our bio. We've got some merch now on our channel. Maybe I'll even share it with you guys. I'm going to buy some of my own merch, obviously. And I'm going to start wearing it on the channel and start promoting our merch. If you want to support our channel too and you want some a little bit of Crow merch, we got some merch. Check it out down below. Let's see what we got, actually. Let me go over to this. Oh, no, it's going to do the thing. Okay, let's see what we got. So, yeah, if you go over here, boom, and you look at the merch, we got merch up in here. See it? We got Crow mugs. You see this stuff, guys? We got Crow mugs. We got Diamond Hand Club sweaters. We got, I want this Crow, I'm going to get this Crow mug. I'm so excited about this Crow mug. Not too bad. What do we got? What's the price on that thing? It's like 17 bucks or something. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. We got some Crow stickers. We got a Crypto Report logo. We got a Diamond Hand nudie. We got a Crypto Report. I like this one a lot. I think the hoodie and the mug are the coolest, personally, with the logo. I love our logo, but maybe you don't. Maybe you just want some Crow merch. Get a Crow mug. Maybe you get a Crow t-shirt. We're going to do more merch. So if you guys have any merch ideas, you let me know. What a great, flattering face, Crypto Kip. Nice work, really. Okay, let's go back here. So we got some merch for you. The faux morons are real, says Brandy Lion. Well, no, we don't want to call them morons, Brandon, man. Come on. I think, they're getting it a little late, but it's still smart to get in. Better late than never, right? Better late than never. And if we're right about anything here, a bull market's coming. There you go. We're going to make some gains, y'all. McLovin says, are you a legendary miner mole? Frankly, no. I mean, I like miner moles. I think there's a miner mole that looks just like you. Send me a picture on Twitter, McLovin. Send me a picture on Twitter, on X. I don't like that they renamed it. I don't like that. It's a cool name, but it's always going to be Twitter. Get in, get out, get rich on the leverage trading, says Brandon. Or DCA and HODL with your holding bags. So, Bitcoin dip and crash not related. No, I didn't say that, Scott. I didn't say that, Scott. They can be related. I think that the reason that maybe if they were related, it's because people were freaking out that Coinbase was down, so people panicked and probably tried to get their money out. And maybe, yes, then they maybe started to sell the Bitcoin. They panicked because Coinbase was down. But what I was saying is the reason that Coinbase was down was likely because people were trying to FOMO in. And so people tried, here's how it worked. People tried to FOMO into Bitcoin because it was breaking out. Then Coinbase goes down. So then when people see that Coinbase went down, they panic sold. And then here we are, people are buying back up and trying to buy it back up. But we are going back down below 61 right now. Let's see. Hopefully we get a move continued upward. But again, like I said, with that Ethereum move, I said, you know, before the green line, you probably want to take some profits. And looky what we have here. Exactly as we predicted. It's probably going to bounce off this green line. And then we're going to, you know, probably going to keep going back up or something. I don't know. We're probably, if this thing's going to continue to move, then we're going to stay above this red line in general. But I think we do. I think we keep moving up here, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see. Bitcoin fighting this 4-hourly candle right now. Fighting this 4-hourly candle. 48 minutes this 4-hourly candle closes. The 4-hourly candle is going to tell us where we go next. When I started this YouTube channel, I was at 211 pounds. I'm currently at 196. I lost a lot of weight, guys. Lately, more weight than usual because I don't need to eat. I'm just eating these charts up, watching them all day instead. I'm on the watch chart only diet and walking a ton. I got a walking treadmill for under my desk. Haven't been walking though lately, and I still lose weight just because I've been eating less. I also cut back on my snacking. Hey, Mrs. Crypto Kip, are you still with me? Let me know in the chat, Mrs. Crypto Kip. But McLovin, no, I'm not a legendary miner mole. I do not have any miner moles, and frankly, I don't really need them. I don't really want them. Not yet. I mean, they're cool, they're good, but NFTs, I'm just not an NFT guy. I'm just not. I gave it a shot. I accepted my losses on my crypto.com NFTs, and you know what? I'm moving on. Now I'm in the BRC20 and the stacks plays, and I'm making a boatload of money. Best decision I ever made was to sell my crypto.com land and put it into the stacks. I turned 5,000 into, 20,000. So, and I did it in like a week. Okay, so Scott, the new guy on the channel, has thanks for the transparency. Gotcha. Been into crypto since 2021. Just bad at trying to learn. No worries, man. You're in the right place. I think you're in the right place. You let him know. What do you think? Is he in the right place, guys? Ron Wilson says, living in Clearwater Beach, Florida, I need t-shirts. No, yeah, there's t-shirts in there too. I think there's a crow t-shirt. My grandpa's strange though. He wears hoodies in the middle of like a beach in Florida or something because it keeps him cool somehow. Like black hoodies in the middle, but he also doesn't like the sun, Got to avoid that melanoma. Ron Wilson and Brandyline are going to catch up in Discord. Do it in our chat. Do it in our chat. We'll have a conversation. Let's grow that Discord, guys. Let's keep that conversation rolling. Let's make some money. I sent you the picture on your Cry Harder tweet. I love it. You like that tweet? You like that tweet, McLovin? Cry harder, Jim. Cry harder, Jim Cramer. He wrong. Emmy is part of the Mole fam. Hey, if I make a bunch of money here and I just got some, disposable money that I don't, care about, then, maybe I'll buy a miner mole. I got my lion. I'd be lying to you if I said I didn't think about selling my lion. I've been thinking about selling my lion. Whatever though. I don't know. I'll just keep it. I'm a part of the community. Oh, you guys, we got some Florida gang in this chat. We got a lot of Florida folks. Maybe I'll come down to Florida. We party on a yacht when we're rich. How about that? Couple NFT chatters in the chat. 4-hourly candle looking decent again for Bitcoin. Let's see. Got the hourly candle. 45 minutes left. Let's see if this thing can flip green. That would be great. I got a meeting warning. That means I got to go in 15 minutes. I got 15-minute warning on the stream, y'all. I think. Let me check. Let me see what I got there. Let me see what I got to do. Yep. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Do it. Do it. I'll be right back, guys. Emmy got me drinking my fluids again. I gotta find the little mole miners room real quick. I'll be right back. We got 70 viewers, 116 likes. How about this one? Do me a favor. Let me know in the chat down below. Put a 1 if you have a Bitcoin DeFi wallet that you're using. Put a 2 if you don't and you don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay? Bitcoin coming in at 61.4. We're moving again. Okay. Let's do it. Come on now. Very serious face right now. Hey, Kip, knock, knock. Who's there? Crypto Guy West. Who's there? You joined to get that pink loaded line and you got my own. Oh, yeah, we're giving that loaded line away at like 20,000. We'll give it away at 20,000. I think I said 25,000. We'll give it away at 20,000 subscribers on the channel. So subscribe. And if you're a subscriber, you have a chance at a free loaded line. It's like $1,000. You want to make $1,000? Well, we're doing a giveaway. 20,000 subscribers, maybe 25. You're in the right place, but be careful of the other crypto YouTube influencers. Kip is one of the best, says Crypto Keeper, if not the best out there. Very few are straightforward. Thank you for your support. That makes my day. That's what I pride myself on. I want to be straightforward. A lot of people talk out their butt. That's no dig at anybody out there. There's a couple influencers I like that I'll call out right now that I really like. Love some Oscar Ramos in my life. Love some Call Me Hunch, one of the legends right now in the space, probably making some of the most gains for his audience. Finding things that I'm not even finding right now. He's a killer. Gold Pony Crypto. He's fantastic. Who else we got? We got Satoshi Aoki. I love that guy. Keep going with that content, Satoshi, if you're watching. Who else we got out there that we've collaborated with? You know, I mean, I like the concept of Around the Blockchain. They're supposed to have me on. They said that they were going to email me. They haven't done so yet. So Around the Blockchain, if you're watching, you better, you better have us on, because I might have to, have my own little Around the Blockchain. I don't know. I might have to start some. That's the dream, right? The Crypto Network, the Crypto Report Network. That'd be great. But we're supposed to go on that show. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, mainstream's dangerous anytime, right? It's kind of nice to find some new theories, and that's what we're trying to do. But I appreciate that. Thank you. Wait, did they actually do a legendary miner mole based on me? I do love me some Oscar Ramos, though. He's got a great voice. Oscar, if you're here, man, you should be a radio announcer, or just a crypto killer YouTuber like you are. Killing it, man. He's got a great voice. I'd like to hear you sing, Oscar. What do we got? I wanted to look at I want to look at this miner mole that you're talking about, McLovin. Let me go to my Twitter. I'm gonna laugh if like this, a crypto kit miner mole. I'll freak out. Let's see what we got here. Sure. Oh, it's funny. Why is there a chart going down? Oh, that's funny, man. That is funny. Oh, I never saw that, McLovin. That's funny. Go to my Twitter if you want to see it. I'm not going to pull it up on the screen. Or follow McLovin on Twitter too, all right? Who's the second one you mentioned? Call Me Hunch. Ron Wilson, you gotta follow Call Me Hunch. Call Me Hunch. Look at my interactions with him on Twitter. You'll see him. He's great. He's great. He doesn't care about Crow at all. He told me to sell all my Crow, so I'm careful with that stuff. Maybe I don't know. Maybe he's right. I don't know. I mean, maybe his argument is that there's better plays out there. I see what he's saying, but Crow's is kind of a safer play for me, So I'm holding my Crow, but he told me to sell all my Crow. So, there's a lot of different opinions out there. Kip is Dutch for chicken. Wait, what does that even mean, Servan? I don't even know what that means. You used to use vests all the time. I remember your vest days. I still use vests. I still wear vests. I was wearing a vest like 2 days ago or yesterday. Joel G loves Hunch. Hunch is great. Hunch is great. He's also doing a lot of degen plays, so it's fun to just careful with the degen plays. I'm doing them, but just careful, guys. I don't want you to like all in on a YOLO moment and just lose your bags. Getting something tried and true, getting something that's real. All right, guys. McLovin says maybe he's right. There are better plays, but Crow is a sleeper. I agree. Right now, you can make more money elsewhere, but Crow, he's going to rip at some point, and I'm not going to be the guy to miss it. It's a safer play, in my opinion. We got a gifted membership from Brandon, the trash man. QBA, congratulations, QBA. Oh, it means that the Dutch word for chicken is kip. I love it. Crypto chicken. Ha! That's funny, man. I'm looking for a chicken emoji. We got a chicken emoji up in here? There we go. Got it. I'm Crypto Kip. Love you too, McLovin. Thanks for the love, man. Chicken piccata. I gotta get us a chicken piccata. Hey, baby, you're making me chicken piccata tonight, huh? What do you think, honey? You wanna make me some chicken piccata? 61-1. I'll tell you guys. I gotta go soon. But if Bitcoin rips here, I don't want to miss it. Oh, let's see. McLovin says, hope you're a millionaire in 365 days. I hope you're a millionaire in 365 days, my brother. My brother. Sushi Satoshi, my guy. How you doing? Say hello to your moderator and legend, Sushi Satoshi, one of the best sushi chefs in the West. Guy's got lines out the door every day. He's a legend. Gotta tend the eggs, that's right. These eggs about to hatch, boy. I woke up in BTC at 61. Amen. All right, here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Do it. Do it. All right, guys. Look. If I miss it, I miss it. Okay? Bank was hacked, changing payment system, restore my membership. Ah, terrible. Well, I'm glad you got it back, brother. Or if, you know, don't worry about the membership. You know, it's okay. Sushi. If you want to do it, great. If not, if you can't afford it, look, you don't have to be a member on this channel, guys. We appreciate all your support. You get access to our private Discord. If you hang out, you might get a gifted membership. Crypto's doing all right, though. Yes, that's right. So, guys, we could rip here. The point is this. Bitcoin and Bitcoin DeFi are going to make millionaires in this bull cycle. If you've been watching this channel, you've probably made hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. If you made millions, well, then tell me. Okay? Bitcoin DeFi. Bitcoin DeFi. Bitcoin DeFi. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get some all-time highs for Bitcoin. Lickety split. If not, you buy the dip and let her rip. That's my strategy anyway. I'm buying through 2024, folks. Taking some profits in November, December, most likely. I'll keep you guys posted with my plays. I'm a degenerate in some of the meme tokens and stacks right now, but there are a lot of legitimate coins and stacks that you must be aware of, and you should watch this channel if you want to learn more about crypto. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. We had a record stream today, guys. Let's keep that momentum. Thank you all for your support. Until next time, DCA, HODL. See you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos later today, because that's how we do. Peace.